Yo! Welcome back.
Ooh,
Big
that was
yell.
nice and noisy.
Big pop, yeah. I've been working on voice training, if you couldn't
I
tell.
love it.
I've been
love the
working on getting
audio.
there. What's going on, chat? Sorry for the 2-minute delay. That's my bad, trying to figure out how to use technology. But we do have a very special guest today that y'all know.
How you doing, chat? How are you doing? Good to see you all.
Welcome to the show, baby.
Next hour and a half or so.
Welcome to the Globex show.
100%. I'm really looking forward to it. I haven't traded this in like a year. So this is going to be all new for me.
Nice. Chat, can I just get a quick little heads up from y'all for the 10 of y'all in here right now? How are we sounding? Good, bad? Everyone even? You know, that's the big worry. Is my voice way louder than Jamie's? Let us know, please.
Do we sound sexy is what he's asking.
Exactly, yes. That, but in less words. Or sorry,
Sounds
more
great.
words.
Yeah,
Sounds great,
Tex
fine.
Ryan, we were talking
Okay,
about
cool.
you today. We thought you died in Las Vegas.
Yeah,
you're
Ryan,
here.
you got to tell us about that.
Did you make any grands?
I was concerned when it was like day 1.5 or whatever of like just no communication. I was like, oh no, you never made it out.
Oh, I love it. Oh, we're starting off on my screen. Love it. So,
Oh yeah,
you're gonna
sorry,
have to
my
talk me
bad.
through this.
My bad. I mean, go ahead and introduce your screen, I guess.
Yeah, well, this is you're all very familiar. This is Sierra chart, of course. I haven't got anything set up for the Asian session because I don't know how to trade it really. So we'll just have a bit of fun with that, I guess. But
Nice. Well, what you
cut back
have
and
to
forth.
know for Tokyo Open, like at least coming on right now, is like Tokyo Open, what happened 3 minutes ago at 8 exactly my time, is like the mover of the night for me. Like the actual Globex Open at 6 p.m. Eastern does nothing.
yeah,
But
it looks like a bit of a
now
snooze
we've got
fest.
some movement. And now we are also really overextended past the Celts. I'm going to jump from your screen back to mine.
Okay.
Because I do want to go over real quick with chat. Something I do is go over. Do you have the stream up? Can you see this?
I can see your stream, yeah.
Okay, so I'll catch up in a second. I go over these levels, my volume profiles, whenever they want to
Okay.
load. Oh, chat, it played out. Chat,
What played out?
The short played out. I've been testing this like experimental thing basically of just marking out like a 50-point range plus or minus, so 100-point range plus or minus 50 to both sides of like major psych numbers like 30K, 29K, 28K, and just testing it as like support resistance.
I like it. Okay.
And it played out. But chat, I have pretty much nothing below here. So I was kind of looking at this long just because we're so overextended to the downside that
Yeah.
I've got nothing down here. So I'm going to sit on hands for now, unless we get like a really obvious reaction.
Well, Delta's showing some bids. I'm seeing gaps on the 22 range. That's hilarious.
That's crazy.
The 1 minute's all over the shop.
Oh, NQ. Got it. You're on NQ.
Yes.
Yeah,
Jamie, how
dude.
early is it? It's not 3 a.m. It's 1 a.m.
Dude, NQ's book is thin. I was watching some of your stream today. That is a thin book.
Man. Don't even get me started on that this morning. It's like, honestly, recently, Asia sort of forms, it sort of opens, gets messy, and then forms a range. And then
Yeah.
London just sort of carries a bit of volume through that range. The last sort of week or so, it's been so erratic, so fakey. And then it changes its mind. Like if you look at London session from today, which is 2:30 Central, so 3:30 your time open, I think, you'll see that it sort of carried on the uptrend that we had going on before, like during Asia session, and then immediately London was like, "Nah, we're going down now."
Runs it
And I was
back,
just like,
yeah.
"Right, okay." And since my whole strategy during slower markets is trading based of a trend, I just got chopped the hell up.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah.
oh, it's crazy. We'll make some progress though, I'm sure. You're gonna have to educate me. I'll do a Jaws trade to my account.
Oh no, you don't want that. Trust me, you don't want that. That results in bad things. All right, chat. Y'all can see it technically, but it's not as highlighted. Let me see if I can fix that. Oh, I can. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, chat. My P&L is right underneath Jamie right now. I know that doesn't make a ton of sense because it's underneath Jamie. I wonder if I can just move that into...
Just put it right over my eyes.
Well, what if I do it like under... It's like right under my face now. Honestly, let's roll with that. Y'all can see that balance. It was a loss. I did take a trade during RTH today. Don't yell at me. It was a loss. I did it during Liam's stream. I looked at the short and was like, huh, this looks like a decent short, which did it play out? It did at 350. Oh no, it didn't. Wait, we didn't break. Maybe NQ did, but MNQ didn't break initial balance low. That's crazy.
No, we didn't touch any of them
That's
after they were formed.
gross. Jamie,
Yeah,
that is a less than 1% chance of that happening.
Is it?
Like, yes, legit. The stats are in Discord still from Edgeful when we pulled them a while ago. That is like literally a less than 1% chance.
I'm having such a hard time in these New York sessions, and the worst part is it's like some of these trades are just, they're so good, and you just get such a fantastic entry, and then momentum builds and it's moving in the right direction, and you think, excellent, this is the perfect time to move break even, and then it immediately turns around and just does the opposite of what you're expecting. It's just got no continuation. It's like the market gives up after 10-15 points. You just end up thinking, really, are we just going to do this all day?
What is the largest trade you've ever had run back on you? Like, you ever been up like 150 points and then had it come all the way back?
No, never that bad. Usually when I'm in those trades, I'm really confident in them. I think I've had it like that 250 pointer I had that everyone was talking about, which was very proud of.
I mean, it was a banger, dude. Absolutely,
it was a banger. But that one, that was obviously because I was holding it for so long. That would fluctuate against me, 50, 60 points happily. Yeah. So I'd see my P&L be like at its peak was like 3.5 grand, and it would go down to like 2 grand, and then you'd see it go back up to like 4 grand, and it was like whippy. But you just have to let it fluctuate because you're holding that for a long time. So
yeah,
that's the idea, and I knew it had the room to the upside based on everything. And if it didn't, I'd just be sat there watching NQ thinking, pfft. And worst case, I'd already locked in 50 points. That's what my stop was, and I wasn't touching it.
Got it.
And I just end up monitoring it and just seeing it. And then there are times when I think, oh, actually, hang on a minute. And I'll just flatten it. I'll take it off there.
We are catching a little bit of a bid. I kind of like the fact that we're trading below prior day's low, but we're coming into what looks like all of this aggressive selling. It'll show on the stream in a second. But on my screen, I have like these red dots for the big trade bubbles. And it's just red, all in this like roughly 30 to 40 point area, which to me also means that there are, there's big buyers like sitting passively on the book, absorbing all of that. So, I mean, we kind of already got the aggressive reaction I was looking for, though.
Oh, like we just base hit off of VWAP.
But you just took one?
No, I'm thinking about it.
Oh, okay. Well, if you get into a trade, let me know.
I've got an order at 720.
Okay, if that trades, I'll switch over. Yeah, like we kind of already are getting... Dude, I got so good at like switching my mental over to Asia to like the smaller moves, because they are smaller, but it's also been a really nice change of pace. And then I started trading RTH again during the day, and now I'm spoiled again with like 150 point moves in 10 minutes. And I'm like, oh, why can't Asia do this?
Yeah, I know, honestly. This is you have to have like a completely different strategy for different time zones. It's crazy. Like,
yeah, I can't expectation.
I can't trade trends in New York. I just can't. But I'm really good at them in London, which is such a killer.
Interesting.
Because trends in New York session, they just don't really give you much of an opportunity to get into them. And then when they do sort of consolidate and they have a nice pullback, they end up just like they form this sort of consolidation range and this chop, and it looks choppy, but it's not choppy. It's just clearing out all these orders because it needs that sort of build of momentum to push it back. Yeah, and so that is quite challenging because it does mean you have to give those trades like 50 point stops.
Are you short 720 right now?
I took it off. I didn't like that rejection, although it looks like it would have worked. Yeah, that would have worked.
Yet, unless you're. What are you looking for? 10 points.
Yeah. Oh no, it wouldn't have worked. I forgot I zoomed in. I am on 22 range. Yeah, it wouldn't have worked. It just stopped me break even.
Got the Liam chart up or what? Speaking of, there he is. What up, Liam?
Hey,
what's going on, dude? Liam, let me get a quick mic check on levels and all that. Are Jamie and I equal and even and all the things? I mean, let us know down the line. Obviously, let's just say
London
yes.
session, innit?
Alexander did say, "Hello, mate."
He's such a just reading that. What a rage beta.
You know, he's got a point though. Like, I mean, what did you do to prepare for the stream? Did you tea and crumpets, did you go to the Chippy? Did you hit the Chippy today?
No, that's a Friday night dinner thing.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't get that message.
No, what did I do? I did absolutely nothing really. I just had a couple of beers and watched a movie downstairs.
Nice,
I remember thinking halfway through, when I agreed to do this stream, I didn't once think of my poor neighbors who are probably hearing this right now.
Rip. You know, I didn't get the message though that the Chippy is only for Friday, so I've got my little fish and chips here.
No
Good
way
day to
have you
have
got
a
fish and
Chippy in
chips.
it, bruv. Another eating on stream in it.
Have you actually? Oh god!
Quick little Chippy with the tartar sauce.
Did you actually order that? Have you got a fish and chips by you?
Yes. I went out of my way
brilliant.
after work to go stop at the Chippy just for you.
That's excellent. That's excellent. I need to come on with some American food, but then it'd just be what, a cheeseburger.
Sure.
Although Matt raves about, what is it, biscuits and gravy. Still
I
don't know
haven't
what that
had
is.
good biscuits and gravy. I've had them, but I've had like dining hall biscuits and gravy. So they're not mine don't count. I would definitely be interested in trying like actual biscuits and gravy.
Well, he raves about them. They must. I don't know, actually. He said beans and toast sucked, and they did look brown. They looked
Dude, that's just how our
revolting.
beans are. They're just that color. They're like even
No, they're
just like
not.
oh, I'm saying ours. Even just like normal baked beans are like that color. His were some like extra like sweet and spicy, whatever. He got like some flavored stuff. That doesn't count. But just like regular baked beans are like that color.
Man, that's weird. No,
Are we
you need to.
getting
I'll
ripped
bring
or
a.
what?
I'll bring a can of proper Heinz over. Any
Alright.
open trades. When we see a good one, we'll take one, and you'll see
We'll
it.
just pop a can of Heinz. Oh, speaking of you bringing things, what's the situation? What am I going to be drinking?
Oh, excellent. Chat, this is your last chance, actually. I'm going to be announcing that on the stream today. There is a poll in general. Let me update you all on it. Give me a sec. So I'll give you a reply. I've got to be honest, Jaws, it's not looking good for you.
No.
I'll give you until I'll give you 30 minutes. I've just in general chat in the Discord. If you're not in there already, it's TBM. I'll actually put a link in the chat for you.
I think
It's
I
in the
voted
general
for
chat.
one, but I voted for like the calmest option.
Yeah, of course you did. I gave some pretty brutal ones in there. So the winning vote so far is Sambuca and Wasabi.
Yeah, that's about what I expected. Sambuca sucks, man. Like Sambuca's so bad. It's up there with
I know.
gin. It sucks.
It's like licorice crap, isn't it? It's just
Yeah, you're like supposed to put it in your coffee or something. That's how I was introduced to it. My ex-girlfriend's dad would like put it in his coffee. Terrible. I tried it. It
man.
does not taste good. I don't know how he was drinking that. Like lighter fluid, I swear.
oh my days. I might take a short hit at 50. 48 actually.
Let me throw on
Quick
the
little
old
slap.
James
This will be my
screen.
first experience. Ah! Is it going to miss me? I think it's going to miss me.
Looks like it's working well. My ex-dad was an alcoholic. Rip.
Let me pull this down. I'm going to chase this a little bit. See if I can get 42 here. I think it's going to front run me. Thing is, I don't have much volume to go off since all of it's just been printed. Yeah, it's going to
I
leave
do
me
have your
behind, I
screen
think.
up, just a heads up.
I was targeting VWAP, so maybe the idea is a quick bid off of VWAP instead, which is that prior wick and VWAP I'm eyeing up there. Because the short side is leaving me in the dust. We'll see. I'll leave that up there for a few more minutes. See how the
All right.
volume plays out.
I will keep it up. Your wish is my command. Dude, this was a nice rip from the lows. I feel like I read it well. I just was busy looking at everything else on my screen and not the chart.
Yeah. Oh god, I do that so many times.
Be like that.
I'll see a trade, get distracted, talk to chat, and I'll look at my chart and I'm like, oh, the trade's gone.
Yeah, it's just long gone. I mean, we are from where I would have been looking to get long, like somewhere between like 85 and 70. We are like 80 points above that now.
Ooh, wow. Yeah. Looks like a pretty boring New York session. It was a snooze fest, Tex. Honestly, it's been brutal all week.
Yeah,
It's
you
like,
did not
this
miss
is worse
much.
than FOMC week. I'm not gonna lie. I was really expecting something good from this week.
We do have a ton of news. We have like CPI, PPI, something on Friday, the unemployment or something, or jobs or jolts. I don't know.
Yeah, there's nothing that I saw today. There's literally nothing from today, but that's fine, I guess. Feel free to take your screen back, by the way. I don't think I'm going to get the fill on this for quite a few minutes.
Let me know if it does.
I will.
I like that I
yes,
can just
will.
click one button and it goes on or off. That's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's excellent, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm a fan of that.
Yeah, nothing for
Yeah.
Tuesday as well. 7. Okay.
We are back inside prior day's range. Did reclaim prior day's low. Ideally, I like getting long or short outside the Keltner channels. Ideally, I like taking longs, as y'all know. I don't do shorts. I don't do well in shorts. That being said, if we do pull back to prior day's low at 720, 718, and can kind of stall out there, I'm not opposed to taking that.
Oh, that's where my entry is actually.
For the long? Okay, nice.
Yeah, it's I just noticed it's VWAP, the prior wick on the 5 minute, and it's also IBL, which I just noticed as well.
It's got to play
My
out.
entries at
Zero
18
chance
and a
it
half.
doesn't play. Not a guarantee. Make your own decisions, not financial advice. Zero chance it doesn't play out.
Copy our trade. See how wrecked you get.
We have double trouble. You do. What up, Composite? I didn't do a roll call. Hold on. Let me scroll all the way back. John, what up? Ginger, what up? Jamie, what up? Suvin,
What's
what up?
up?
Zach, what up? Ryan, what up? Good to see you. Balaji Trades, what up? Hella Fun, what up? Calvin Parker, Riley Frank. Am I missing? Todd Lewis. And Sam Sammy. And Naya Bali.
Present.
What up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in. Present, yes.
Absolutely. Good to have you all here. Good to be here.
Have you,
Don't forget to like the stream for this.
You've been playing Encutal?
Yeah, not very well. Have you Liam did it today, or I did it in my stream, and then we saw your results from today. Do you know we're the bottom 3 on the leaderboard? The 3 of us.
Yeah, that tracks. Yeah.
It's not a good look, is it?
Yeah.
The 3 people who are supposed to be the educators and
Hey, I'm not here to educate. I'm here to entertain. I don't know none about nothing. There's a new one out. I will definitely play that. I like them a lot. I played it during work again for what it's worth. I didn't submit to the leaderboard though, because I already saw that I submitted before. Like it still counted. But I did play it and I did better. I did I think I got 800 or something. Oh, it comes out at 8 Eastern every
800s.
night? Interesting. Why 8? Well, what made you go with 8 Eastern?
Are you from Europe, Zach? He's in my stream quite a lot, so. Key. Yeah, I imagine he might be. Yeah. What's up, Mitch?
What up, Mitch?
How you doing?
Oh, just 8 for me. Ryan, I didn't see if you said anything. What happened? How's Vegas, dude? Net loss 200, broke even. I did see that the roulette buy was unfortunate. Sorry to hear that.
Oh yeah, I saw that video as well. 300 on black.
Rip.
Yeah, happens to the best of us. I've taken worse trades with a bigger loss, so
Real.
we are all professionally used to losing that much money in a short amount of time.
Yeah, you ain't wrong, dude. It's crazy, the numbers that get involved at sometimes. The time that I was trading I used to have 5 funded accounts with Top Step, all as one stack, and I would copy trade them. And there was one day I made 1.2K per account, and I was like, holy.
Retired on the spot.
Nah, I went and bought a cigar that day, and then promptly lost it all.
So you were just out a cigar on the cost of the funded.
I was out a cigar on the cost of the funded, yes.
Yeah.
It was downhill from there.
I was saying to chat about my first payout today, and that was I requested it. I became eligible, and I was so proud of myself. I was only 3 months into my trading career. I was ecstatic.
Oh, GG's, dude. That's sick.
And no GG's yet. Hold off on that, because I requested it. I was like, excellent. This is before the days of instant approvals. And I was like, great, okay. And then the next day I thought I hopped on. I was like, let's go for the next one. This is brilliant. Traded it, lost 500. I was like, oh, that's a shame. At least it counts fine.
Denied.
I realized, oh, hang on a minute. Yeah, payout denied. promptly blew the account 2 days later. So
I have, yep, talking to a mirror there.
yeah.
Same thing.
Oh man, that trade front run us.
Yeah,
That's
didn't get the
brutal.
fill. Pushed into
It
new
tested the
highs.
5-minute VWAP. My VWAPs are slightly different on different time frames based on how they print. And on the 5-minute, it tested VWAP to the tick and then bid.
Wait, why are they different?
I think it's because it prints on the close of the bar. So as the bars sort of print, it puts them slightly different. It's only a couple of points off, but
that could make sense.
But I do sometimes notice that. I think it's common for that to happen. So that's why on the 1 minute it hasn't tested VWAP, and the 5-minute has. So that means it has tested VWAP. That's
interesting.
What I count that as.
Interesting system you've got there.
Yeah. So just to pick which one I want to go for that day.
Exactly. Yeah. What lines up with what justifies your trade right now?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I wanted the wick, so that's why I put it lower.
That's funny.
Shame we didn't get it.
Maybe it comes all the way back.
No way.
20 Apex account, 10k swing days degraded my mental. I mean, dude, GG's to getting to 20. I never achieved the 20 stack, unfortunately. Closest I got was like 12 that I then promptly blew.
I did. I never got a payout. Brutal. It's actually worse because you do end up seeing literally 10k swing days. A daily loss limit is 20 grand down, and you look at that and you look at your bank and it's got like
$4, 4 quid.
Yeah,
you're like,
got enough for a beer.
It's all gone.
Yeah, you see, I'm down 20k in a day, and I've got a tenner in my bank.
Oof. Speaking of a tenner, how much is a fish and chips going for at your local spot these days?
That's a poor measurement of inflation. Probably like, a good fish and chips, £14, which is like $18.
Okay, got it.
It feels pretty rough considering it's supposed to be a poor man's meal. Everything's expensive now, though. Even McDonald's, going to McDonald's is, it's not the cheap takeaway food that it used to be.
Sorry, I'm chewing. I would say something,
Makes
but
it
I'm
all
like
the more
mid-chew.
delicious. Yeah, that's fine. What are you eating?
Kind of.
What are you eating?
The chippy.
Oh God, yeah, of course.
I got awful sleep last night. Like I legit slept for like 4 hours. So I went to work today, just like a full-on zombie. Had a coffee in the morning. Didn't have my normal lunch coffee because I planned ahead. I was like, okay, when I get home, I'm going to like take a nap right after work, so that way I can be like fresh for this and not just be like a full-blown zombie, which did work. I feel great right now, which is awesome. But I didn't eat, so now I'm eating. We're back to the eating on stream days.
Hey, don't diss it. I actually haven't had a meal on stream yet. Not a proper meal.
Hey, there's a first time for everything.
I'll bring on when I have the next American guest on it. I will. I'll bring out some. I'll have to have a proper think about what's the most insulting food for you that I can bring out. Since Matt brought out probably what is the most revolting looking thing I've ever seen. And
I mean, you could just go with like. Hold on, I can't. I don't think I can say this on here, but I'm gonna DM you it. I just don't say it. But you can describe it. If that makes sense.
Can't wait for this. Oh man, I had an order to get long at 40.5 and it stopped at 40.75.
Rip.
Man. Sorry, hang on.
Yeah, so look up what that is. You could do that. I mean, the tough part is you just like can't really say what it is.
An
MGB?
A MOOC.
McGB?
A MOOC social gathering for adults.
Sure.
That is just a lot of bread, a lot of meat, a lot of cheese.
Yep.
That's just a stack. I mean, how are you supposed to eat that?
I don't know.
Is that something that McDonald's sells?
No, that's like I don't know what would happen if you order that at the window, but that's like a custom build. It's like you order separately and then you go home and put that together, and then I don't know, think you're funny or something.
Yeah. Wonder who came up with that concept and who thought that was a good name. I respect them. I want to shake their hand.
Spending $150 on dinner with my ex. After nuking 18K on the fundeds, rip. That is.
Sorry?
I bet that was a fun dinner. Liam's comment.
Oh no. God, can you imagine
I bet that was a fun dinner.
having a relationship with trading when you have to sort of keep it secretive from them? I remember I was dating a girl when I first started, and
Kind of.
she'd always ask, "How'd it go?" And I'd be like, "Oh, down at 800. Oh, green 500. Down a grand. Oh, up a grand." And you know, it would affect
Roller
her mood
coaster.
as well.
Yeah, just straight roller coaster.
Yeah. It was so funny. Obviously, not at the time, but it's an interesting one.
Yeah. How am I liking
Where we-
TradeSeat? I do like it so far. I heard there was an outage this morning, so I wasn't affected by that because I wasn't trading it. But otherwise, like fine, like totally fine, works well. It's literally just like a TradingView reskin, right? So if you've used TradingView, you know how to use this. So easy peasy. No complaints from me.
Yeah, I've
We
seen
did
people
not
use it
back
before,
this
but
problems. What's up?
I've seen people use TradeSeat before, but that looks it's good. Looks pretty simple. Danny used it, didn't he?
Yeah, he's the one who put me on.
Oh, really?
Because I was like, the thought process was like, I don't want to, like load everything with Tradeify and then have the greatest platform to ever be made in the history of platforms come out later and like have all my data feeds messed up. So I was like, let me start like stacking Rhythmic connections.
Yeah.
But then I needed it, like for whatever reason, Rhythmic, especially like Lucid Rhythmic to Motive Wave, I'm sure it works fine for other people. I have so many issues with it. So I was just like, I need another option. I don't know if you saw that stream where I was in a trade and my through Lucid Rhythmic connection and it just bugged out entirely. Like I couldn't move my trade. I couldn't see my trade for most of it. I just saw
really?
P&L moving on a different screen. Couldn't see anything, couldn't move orders, couldn't even see price. And then I closed the platform, opened it, and was stopped out. And I was like, what did I just miss?
Oh, that's brutal. That's rough, to be fair. That's one thing I like about Sierra Chart. It is just unbelievably reliable.
Do you use it with the Sonali, the Denali connection?
No, I don't actually.
No? Okay.
I use Apex's Rhythmic connection for it.
Got it.
I use it for everything, actually. I don't even bother switching. I don't use the other people's data. I use Apex's data for the whole lot.
Nice.
I know it's not the best. It's not the most reliable. It's just Rhythmic, But
yeah, well,
works.
specifically Rhythmic sim servers, because they're sim servers. Like they're not meant to handle the capacity of 30 prop firms with 100,000 traders each, running enormous amounts of data through them.
So I don't have too many problems, especially not recently, to be fair. Last big problem I had was in January when I had a runaway trade. This was in a funded account as well. It was brutal. Right. Where I went to move my stop loss break even. Mm-hmm. It accepted it, and because price swiped it the moment that it accepted it, it rejected it and moved my stop loss back down.
Yeah,
to where it was before, and I couldn't adjust anything. I couldn't even flatten the trade, and it was just running. It was like 20-30 points lower than where my stop loss was.
Oh wow. Okay.
And I was sat there going, how do I get out? I was just pressing every button I could. I was thinking, can I close the platform?
How'd you end up doing it? Through RTrader?
No, I think I can't remember where it was. I think I pressed positions and then flattened that individual position, and I can't remember how I did it. Mm-hmm. Or I think I went into orders and I cancelled the order to get out, because it obviously it had taken an order to flatten it, because I pressed the button, and that was the one that was sort of just pending. So I cancelled that order and then flattened it again, and I think that fixed it. But I was just stuck in it, and the reason it happened is because of a Trump tweet.
Rip.
Yeah. So it was flying against me.
Dude, I remember the days when the Trump tweets would actually move. Like now I feel like they've lost the shock value. When they were first really hitting, it was like anything said was immediately just 400 points down. Yeah. Now it's like a calm, it's within 100 points range, plus or minus.
That's the boy who cried wolf, isn't it? It's like,
to an extent, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just lost the shock value.
Yeah. Like I remember the tariffs coming out, and that was a huge thing. And oh my days, like were you trading that market when the
I
tariffs were coming
was.
out?
That was a very interesting April.
Yes, that was the worst trading environment I've ever seen. Like you could, if you managed to get a bottom tick or top tick entry, easy 150 points in a minute. You know,
Yeah.
like.
Yeah.
But then it also worked against you the same way. And good luck getting a stop loss that's reasonable size. That wasn't gonna, you're wrong once, you're out for the day. That's it. That's like you
Yeah.
DLL'd.
Well, that's where you got to just be good about risk management. Like when stuff is really volatile like that, there's so much validity in just not trading, period. Like, yeah, you can make a ton of money. You can also lose a ton of money. So like sit out and wait for things to kind of settle down a little bit, Like that is a very valid option.
I can't remember what I did. I remember just like, I think what my strategy was at the time is I actually adopted it because of how volatile it was. I would literally just be on the 1 minute chart. I'd have EMAs open. I've got the same EMAs open now, but I don't use them the same. Okay. And if you had one 1 minute candle that produced a wick rejecting those EMAs, you'd instantly go in the opposite direction of that candle immediately. Okay. And it just always 10 points because it would do it in like I was on top step.
The spread was
so
like
quick. Yeah. So you'd just be like field TP or field stop loss. it was just like that quick. And because I'd give it like a 25-point stop loss, it's just every trade would hit, apart from that one that wouldn't. Like it was like a 90% win rate because that's the only thing that would work, and it would always work because it's 10 points out of 150-point 1 minute candles. It's like
right, yeah. You're just hoping that the spread gets you out, and you're good.
Yeah, and I remember looking back at my trade duration, and my average trade duration was 1 second. Like,
that's right.
Imagine that. Now, like, even though the market is quite volatile now, it's got quite sweepy, quite wicky, its volume is lower, its momentum is less. So like now my 10-point trades could be 2-3 minutes sometimes.
Have you always looked for like those base hit style trades where you're looking for like 10 to 15 points?
No, I don't really anymore, actually. I've kind of had to this past week or so, and even that's not producing much success for me, to be honest. But no, now I tend to go for 30 to 60 point trades. Okay. Because it means I can take my time more, and I can be more patient with it, and I can be more strict with it. Admittedly, I haven't been doing that recently either because I've just been getting burned at every opportunity. But
hey man, you just gotta stay alive, keep the account alive, stay in the game, and eventually it turns back.
I know several accounts have been gone this last week or two.
Oh, RIP.
Yeah. I mean, at least I got a payout on that one. I've blown that now, though. The one I got the one I won the competition.
The shot one.
Yeah.
Oh, Liam, do you hear this?
No, the payout's on its way. It's approved.
I know, but Liam, well, no. I know you won fair and square. I'm saying, Liam, we were so close.
I know.
If we waited one more day.
I remember I was telling Liam today, actually, because I remember I was trying to trade that account really slowly, and I was going to go for a max payout. And then I heard you guys having this competition. I thought, oh, that's great. And I was actually eligible for a payout on that account the day you started that competition. And if you texted me that day and said, do you want to join in? And I'd been like, hell yeah. Oh, by the way, I've won.
That would have been dirty.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't have done that. That would be too cruel.
No, I mean, that would be fair because we just didn't think of that ahead of time. Like, just didn't think of like, oh, what happens if we don't start at like equivalent areas and someone's like $5 from payout?
Yeah, exactly. Blew it post payout. Everyone blows it post payout, Liam.
Yeah, rip, dude.
Yeah. When I say everyone blows it post payout, I'm not saying you should be doing that. I'm saying it's a challenge to not blow it post payout. Your mindset changes.
Yeah, Ryan, I'm forwarding all my documentation to you in the future.
Yeah. No, we'll do it again, and this time we'll start from scratch.
Yeah, we'll have that written in.
Jamie, are you letting Joz chat pick his fate, or are they taking the same shot? They're all taking the same shot, but you can vote in the Discord. In the general chat, I added the message. There's 2 shots for them, so the top 2 will get selected. So far, the top 2 are...
I've got it on screen as well.
Number 2 is really bad, actually.
Absinthe?
No.
Oh, you mean second, like, vote-wise?
Yeah, so number 1 is Sambuca and Wasabi. Number 2 is anchovies and gin.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
I don't know how I feel about that one because I do like anchovies, but like What do you
with
mean
gin.
anchovy? Like, do I have to mash them up and then like put them into gin?
I mean, as long as those two components are incorporated,
Okay.
I'll give you free reign.
Okay. All right, that's fair. I
We'll
think
be doing it on Matt's stream. I imagine maybe this week. Talk to him
I
about
won't
doing
be
that.
able to for a while.
Oh right, yeah, of course.
Mine's gonna be deferred. Not because I'm
Ah.
sitting here like, oh, I'm gonna get out of it. Like I can't.
No, don't worry, we're not forgetting.
No, don't
Yeah, 'cause
forget.
you're a
I'll remind you. I want it to happen too. Hey man, I'm the one that sent you all the contract and was like, sign this right now.
Yeah. So your last day is what, the 28th? I'm guessing weekday. So from the 1st September onwards.
As of right now, that's the plan. Yeah.
Excellent.
Meaning-
so we'll do it in early September.
But so that's a Friday though. So yeah, maybe that week, the first week of September would work. Depends up to Matt too though, because it's gonna be on his stream.
Of course, yeah. I'm going away on the 9th for about a week.
Okay.
I'm
Where are you going?
So-
Can you share?
going Croatia.
Nice, dude. Enjoy.
Yeah, it should be good
Croatia
fun.
has beautiful beaches, underrated very much. So
Yeah, I've heard. Yeah, really looking forward to it. In need of a holiday. I haven't been abroad in far too long, I realised recently. So
hey man, time to do it.
absolutely, yeah. I'll do 2 this year, I think. Nice place, yeah. B52, the Love
Yeah,
Shack,
what is
Love
that?
Shack drink.
Did you ever Google that? I don't know what that is.
I did, and I keep on forgetting what's in it. It's actually quite nice. To be fair, it looks quite nice. Oh, it looks like a candy.
Coffee,
American say.
liqueur, Irish cream, and Grand Marnier. Yeah, that sounds great.
Yeah,
Yo,
that looks
chat,
like a proper-
vote for that one. What the what?
Chat, you get free reign to pick what you want. You can change your vote as well.
Chat's trying to
Um,
give me anchovies and gin when B52 is an option. Oh, and then you light it on fire. Got it. That's why I called
Excellent.
B52.
Yeah, you can change your vote. However,
That's cool.
it's up to you. How are you being cruel or being nice? I'm doing this so I can like scapegoat. So if you say, "God, Jamie, that was brutal," I can be like, "No, it wasn't me."
Yeah, blame chat, blame chat.
blame.
Yeah, Ryan, I was like, oh, dude, he like didn't make it out of Vegas. Like, I don't know. Maybe he just like fell asleep in the hotel, hammered, and just never got out. I'm glad you had fun though. It looked fun from what you said.
But it was hot.
I need to go back to Vegas, man. I haven't been in forever.
I've never been to the States.
It's the first time for everything.
Yeah, sometime this year, I reckon we'll be doing that.
Oh, you said you weren't coming back? Okay, my bad. I just can't read. It's on me.
I said I wasn't coming back till today. All right, sorry, man.
Sorry, we were worried, bro.
Yeah,
Jeez.
we won't be next time.
Yeah, I won't do that again.
Where's Ryan? Ah, who cares?
Yeah. He got lost? Oh, that's tough.
Yeah, poor him. Anyway. Just drink an entire Texas tea. Texas tea. Learning so many things with this group.
I don't know what that is either.
Commonly, crude oil.
Oh, just a barrel of crude.
Yeah.
That's good. You ever oh no, there's also well, there's a few things. There's the Texas Education Agency, T, or
Interesting.
there is also, and this is from Amazon, it looks like a bottle of like, do you know what Snapple is?
No. What is
I don't
it?
know what Snapple is. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put this on the screen to show you because this is a classic in the States. Snapple
What
has
is it, like
been
a-
around for forever. And by forever, I mean like as long as I can remember. I don't actually know if that is forever or not, but forever, you know?
To
Let me
wait
get
for
a
the
picture
stream
that
delay.
doesn't dox myself.
Oh, you
1
showed your
second.
entire inbox, didn't you?
Not my whole inbox, but it had some info on there that I don't want showing. Where is like give me this glass bottle, Snapple. Don't give me this plastic bottle BS.
Oh,
Snapple.
Texas tea, vodka, gin, white rum, blanco tequila, triple sec, and bourbon. How am I supposed to fit that in a shot glass?
Yeah, that sounds like a lot. Okay, so this is, if you look
teaspoon
on
of each.
stream in a second to give it the delay and all that, this is Snapple. This is like a classic like iced tea that you can buy from like any convenience store ever.
Oh,
And then
nice.
when I look up Texas tea, there's like a version of that. It looks almost like identical. It just says Texas tea. I thought that's what they meant, but I guess not.
Looks good. What up, trader futures? That's a very interesting question to start with in a new stream. I respect it though. You guys, I love it. Also, hello, Skidsteer. How you doing? And Todd, Riley, Magic.
Only the glass bottle, indeed. Yeah, the plastic bottle doesn't exist. We don't talk about it.
Can you still get Coca-Cola in a glass bottle? I haven't seen that in years.
Can you get what?
Coca-Cola in a plastic bottle, glass bottle. Sorry.
Very rarely. I see it like once. I see it at bars, I feel like. I don't ever see it in like a convenience store or anything, but I see it at bars sometimes.
Yeah, that's true. That, to be fair. No, you can at Chipotle. Chipotle, really? I don't think we've got that here, to be honest. I
You're
would
not
love
missing
some
out.
Chipotle.
This might be a hot take, and maybe chat's gonna yell at me. You're not missing out, dude. Chipotle's not that special.
Is it not? No.
It's, yeah. I don't think it's all that.
Cane sugar Coke. Is that a separate recipe? That's like an old recipe, isn't it?
Yeah, that's like the Mexican Coca-Cola. Tastes better. Every
see.
Mexican restaurant in Texas has glass Coke and Sprite and Fanta. Okay, well, I gotta move to Texas, I guess, dude. That's all I'm getting out of this.
I'm really trying to get long at 50. It's just, it's not. There's no pullbacks here. I love it how during this session, because obviously we just opened the 22 range with the standard deviations on it, they're so close together. They haven't had time to sort of spread out yet.
Oh, yeah. I can see your screen. You're right. You're right. Yeah, I mean, once London hits and like volume expands at all, then I think I'm pretty far out. But yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah. Might chase this up to 60.
Oh, my.
Bottom of that micro range.
Oh, my. Chasing. Be careful.
Yeah, maybe.
Chasing's a dangerous word.
Ooh, yeah. A rebid of 60. The thing is, it looks dangerous on the 5 minute. Doesn't look too dangerous on the 1. Doesn't look too dangerous on the 22 range. I'm going to stick with that kind of trade. And it's a test of the EMAs. It's with the trend. We have not taken out the overnight highs yet, which I imagine we will do with very little knowledge, obviously, of the Globex session.
I think it's on the table. I mean, we have a pretty strong bid out of the lows. We reclaimed prior day's low. I think it's very much on the table. We might just go do it now, honestly.
Yeah, it's gonna leave me
10 points away, roughly.
I'm going to rechase this again. I'm going to put my entry at the 1.5 standard. 10-point stop targeting the overnight highs. Thing is, every time I chase it, I have to cramp my take profit, and then that damages risk to reward.
Yeah.
But we got buyers in Delta. Based on the movement, I think we can get that.
Dang, dude, I'm just a little salty. I missed like probably the only setup I'm going to get all night, truthfully. I don't really know how much I love a short up here. I know I said this before, and chat knows just from, being here. I suck at shorting, bro. I'm so bad at it, and I don't like it at all.
I think we should trade together more often because I'm not very good at longing.
All right, we'll just
Doing
swap.
slow
I'll tell you when to go long. You tell me when to short.
Yeah. Which is interesting because you're looking at shorts right now, and I'm looking at longs. Let's swap.
I mean, the only reason I'd look at a short is because it's pushing up against like the upper celt, but that's not enough for me to take it. I need to see something else, and that something else usually doesn't look convincing enough for me, so I just don't end up taking it.
Yeah. Oh, that's the overnight highs, man. Can't anymore.
Yep, there it goes.
Can't look for that trade anymore. Part of my strategy
gone.
is if we're in an uptrend and it's just swiped to level that could potentially hold us, I always take off my longs just in case, because it always has to have more room to keep on going.
Yeah, that's fair.
In my head. That's a shame. But I'll be right back. I'm just going to get my glass of water, which I stupidly left downstairs. Did not prepare.
It's all good.
Be back in 1 second.
All right, chat. Now that he's gone, it is time for the fish and chips. Oi, bruv. In it, fish and chip, bruv. Little chippy here, in it. Proper chaffed at this, mate. Proper chaffed. Proper chopped. Whatever the phrase is. Get a little camera view of the chips. for what it's worth, chap, it is all jokes. I'm not trying to be like, a D. It is all jokes. It's all love.
What I missed, you catch 50
Oh, there
points.
he is. Oh, you did. Yeah, you didn't miss anything. Nothing at all. How's
I'm
your
gonna watch
water?
this back now. What's the time? What's this guy saying?
Exactly, Giovanni. Having a giggle, mate. Exactly.
Having a giggle, mate.
Yep.
You guys are a bunch of scallywags, you.
Exactly. Can I ask, are you a tap water kind of person? Are you straight from the tap, or do you filter
Tap water's fine. Yeah.
tap water?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm just a huge filter person, but then like my best friend, he's got a house on an island, and long story, the pipes in that house, I don't know whether they're like eroding into the water or if they just like taste like that, but like when you drink the tap water there, it just straight tastes like metal. And he has no issue with it. I drink it and I'm like, dude, I'm gonna die from this.
I think it's the thing, you do get used to the water in your area. Like
I guess.
even just across Britain in different areas, you can taste the difference, definitely. But here it just tastes normal, but that's probably because I've been drinking it for so goddamn long.
Yeah, so you're like used to it. I wonder what it would taste like if I drank it.
I'm just noticing all the always ha-ha-has and LOLs in the chat from above. Definitely going to have to watch this back now.
Don't worry about it. Absolutely nothing is going on.
Funny.
Big
Funny
filter
guys
person
you
too,
are.
skid steer. Yeah, man, filtering's the way to go, especially if you got like a pH filter. That way you can get a certain pH on it. I know this is like, no one's going to care for this, but the pH of your water matters, bro. You don't want acidic water. You don't want, I was going to name a brand, but maybe I shouldn't name drop. But there is a brand that is known in the States for acidic water, and y'all know what I'm talking about.
To be fair, I've been slating brands in my stream. I probably shouldn't be doing that either.
Yeah, I don't really know what like the status quo on that is. I just try to keep it careful.
By Jove, Todd says. By Jove, he's right.
Who's Jove? Jehovah?
You ever heard that saying before?
No.
I don't actually know where it comes from or what it means. It's like, oh my God, he's right. It's a classic British expression used to show surprise, excitement, or strong feelings.
Composite. I grew up drinking out of the garden hose. That'll do it. That'll do it.
Oh, apparently, it's just a really old version of my God.
Interesting. The more you know.
From Roman times.
By Jove.
Yeah. See, that 5-minute close there, that's interesting of what was the prior overnight highs.
Nice, Alexandra. Yes, exactly. You know what I'm talking about. Can't do it. Can't do it.
Yeah, composite just drinks out of the hose, apparently.
Yep. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Do y'all have has this like taken over at all in England? Like pH water? Like let's say you go into, what do you call a gas station? A petrol station?
Petrol station, yeah.
Petrol. All right, let's say you're getting some petrol and you walk into the station, the clerk attendant, whatever, and you go to the fridge. Do y'all have like pH balanced waters there? Like, so for here, like in New York, Essentia is a big thing. No. Like the brand specifically is called Essentia. I think it tastes great. I like the water a lot. But then I've mentioned that to other people and they're like, you're such an idiot for paying like extra for what's just water. But I'm like, no, bro, you don't understand.
I've never even heard of that. I didn't even know that was a thing.
Let me find this bottle for
really?
you. Maybe if you see the bottle, you'll like pick it up one day. It'll show up on the screen in a second on the stream. Maybe you'll pick it up one day and be like, oh yeah, I've seen that now. But like that water, goated.
I've seen the brand. I don't think I've seen it like being pH water though.
Yeah, it's like 9.5 or something. I don't know. I just had it on the screen. I think it's great.
I remember, I think it was Jeremy Clarkson who made a really good point about Americans and your words. We call it a petrol station because it's petrol.
Sure.
You call it a gas station
because it's gas.
Obviously, it's short for gasoline.
Yep.
But you call it liquid gas. I find that
I don't
hilarious.
see the issue here.
Yeah, what? Jamie been up for 81 hours and still loud.
That's crazy. Am I actually, dude? You should have heard the voice strain I put on earlier. Rewind to the beginning. Matt coming in with the truth bomb. Yeah, y'all were supposed to tell me if I was unbalanced on audio. What is this?
Just full blast it. Just up your gain to the max.
Yeah, I'm gonna
everything is distorted.
redline everything. If you ain't redlining, you ain't headlining.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm waking up all the neighbors. Got some kids living next door. They're not getting any sleep tonight.
Sean said y'all call it football.
We call football when you kick it with your feet. You call it football when you hold it with your hands.
Yeah, but you use your feet to move the ball, no? How do you get the ball from one place to another?
Well, in our football, yeah.
No. In real football.
You carry it, don't you?
Yeah, sometimes throw it, punt it. I'm just
in
just
what
messing.
is real football.
I'm taking the piss.
In what is real football, if you touch
God-given
the ball, you're
game
fouled.
is crazy. Sorry, go ahead.
If in real football, if you touch it with your hands, you're fouled.
But you can hit it with every other part of your body too, right? Like literally every other part. It's just your hands you can't use.
Yeah, you can header it. Obviously, it's not preferred to do that. It's not the most efficient way to do it.
Yeah. Well, like, could you like hit it off your back if you like hit one of these?
Yeah, I guess it's risky to do that because even if it accidentally touches your finger, like it slides past your finger, that's a handball.
Huh.
So you avoid it. Like you'll see people when they're lining up to defend against the goal, they put their hands behind their back.
Right.
Because otherwise they foul and they get the opponent gets like a free kick.
Got it. Yeah, God-given gain was a good one. Haven't heard that before.
God-given gain. Love that.
Anyways, after my God-given gain runs out, back to the chippy. Working on.
Have you seen this, Matt? He's got his English food now.
Working on the old. Oh, you can't see anything in this box. Hold on, stand by. Working on the old tartar sauce here. Y'all have tartar sauce in England? Is that a popular condiment for this?
It's a popular thing. It's not popular with me though. It's a bit.
Got it. Not a fan of the tartar.
No, tartar. It's tartar,
delicious
darling.
chippy. Delicious, very good. Thank you, chat.
What does a goalie do, Jamie? Grab the ball with their hands. Yeah, they're the only person on the pitch allowed to, but they can only do it when they're inside the goal area. Like if they're outside the goal area and they touch the ball with their hands, that's a foul as well. Looked like a big old bite there. See, I'm glad you guys accept the fish and chips. I will bring over some proper baked beans because Matt, the beans you bought, I don't know where you got them from. Like, scraped them off the bottom of someone's bin or something, but they looked grim.
Dude, those look like normal beans. I don't really know
they
what
look
to tell
horrendous.
you.
No, baked beans on toast. This is what a proper English baked beans on toast is. Oh my god, some people have a really fancy, blimey. But like, let me see if I can find a good picture for y'all.
Let me go over to your screen.
God, some of them are really extravagant. I'm trying to find like a boring one, like a normal one. Let me just search English.
As opposed to what other?
Some of them were brown.
Okay.
Like they're sort of they're browny orange, like.
Dude, because they're beans, they're brown.
Oh my god, there's literal videos online of how to make it. Heat up beans, put it on toast.
Banger. That's exactly what Matt did. Actually, I don't know if Matt heated them. His look kind of cold. Yeah, bro, they're
something
brown.
No, they're not. Like,
can you select one of those real quick so it's bigger?
That's about as big as it can make it. There you go. That's a proper English breakfast. Normally, you don't put it on top like that.
Yeah, so like his were browner, but they were also like, I think it's because they're like the sweet and spicy, whatever. So it's got like, I don't know, probably like chili powder in the sauce, in the syrup.
Did you get flavored ones? That's brutal.
Yeah, he did have flavored ones. They're like sweet and spicy or something.
Like that's what it looked. That's what it looked like you had, like that color.
Yeah, that's like a normal looking baked bean. No,
these really dark ones.
Yeah, it's a well done bean. What do you have against a well done beans?
Like that's the color it should be. Ignore the plate. That's definitely someone's English kitchen.
That
but
looks worse, man.
all of it looks like right. Okay, and you said biscuits and gravy is fire, and that just looks like that. That literally looks like something the dog would.
Ooh,
revisit.
shots, shots. All right, let's throw the biscuits and gravy on the screen now.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do biscuits and gravy. Like, sorry. Like, what is that?
I was just about to search it. Beat me to it. Nice.
It literally just.
I mean, I'll be honest. I agree with you. And I know they taste good because I've had several people who I know food taste them. So I know they taste good. I haven't had good ones yet. They don't look that appetizing. I'll give you that. They definitely could. Presentation could be better for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, that's funny. Imagine Jamie tried a fried stick and taken okra. That's actually not something we really get over here. Interestingly enough, it's
Dude, I
very
don't have
very
okra
common over
either.
there. You don't get okra there?
I don't. That's a Texas thing, I think.
Oh, is it? That makes sense, to be fair.
I mean, I don't have them here, that's for sure.
It's a southern thing. I mean, we get similar things. Like, we get lots of. Do you get padron peppers?
I don't even know what that is.
It's like a Spanish pepper. It's like it almost looks like a jalapeno in a way, but you grill it and it's not spicy.
Like a shishito pepper?
Yeah,
you have a picture? I'm looking at the chart. I don't.
Padron.
Like, we're wicking the upper calc, but I don't see any reason to short for me personally yet. So no short for me.
I've got them up on my screen now. Padron peppers. So you grill them and you have them. Have fun, boys. Go get some work done.
Okay, I got your screen up. Yeah, those look good.
Really good. Oh, this person stuffed them. That looks nice.
They do look similar to shishitos. I wonder, they're definitely prepared the same way. These are like just salted and grilled, or grilled and salted with olive oil.
Yeah, basically that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a very similar to shishitos. I like shishitos a lot.
Yeah.
Be careful how you say that.
Fried okra. Yeah, say that 3 times fast. I don't want to short this.
They do look similar, skid steer. I'm trying to think of well, if anything, you're gonna like if you come visit, I feel like you're going to Austin, right?
Well, yeah. Well, we'll be doing You
haven't had real pizza. You haven't had real pizza till you've been to Connecticut.
Sorry, Italy's around the corner.
Bro, Italy's pizza is mid. I will die on that hill.
No,
I will die on that hill.
You can't. I think that's actually against the law to say that. No. Yeah.
And New Haven's pizza is where it's at. New Haven's. Let me give chat. Let me give you two a visual on New Haven pizza.
Right. Let me give you a visual on a proper Napoli pizza.
But all they do in Italy is like the personal Neapolitan pies, and it all just like tastes the same, man.
No. Oh, you've got so many lovely recipes.
Okay, I don't know if you can see the stream yet. It'll pop up in a second, but like, look at this pizza I've got on the stream here. Incredible stuff. This is from Sally's.
Oh,
probably one of the better pizza places in the world.
I bet that would drench a napkin. Right, okay, let's have a look at proper Napoleon pizza. Not sure about that. You want a slightly, the crust is quite charred, but it's just, there's so much. It goes so close to the edges. You want a proper crust. Look how bubbly this is.
Yeah, and then the middle of it is a soup.
No, that's a burrata.
No, the middle of it is soup. I know the game. I've been there. I've had these. The middle of it flops.
You've been to the wrong places, my friend.
It doesn't hold itself up.
Right, chat. You can decide this, because this is a debate now. This has turned into a debate channel. You can only respond to this if you've actually been to Italy and tried their pizzas. But
I have,
which is better. Yeah, you're the opposite end of the debate scale.
Okay.
Sided by Kato. That's my both mid. All right. Well, this guy just insta ban. Disgusting. Right. We're doing a meetup in Europe somewhere, and we're going to be comparing notes.
We should just do a mukbang stream. Honestly, forget trading.
Yeah, screw this stuff. Yeah, let's just retire.
A group mukbang.
I'll retire off my $500 payout from last week. I just live off
Fire. Yeah, you're good to you're coasting on that.
Yeah. Just cut back my spending here and there.
My slander about Chipotle puts in a risk any other suggestion. I don't think Chipotle is like bad. I didn't say it was bad. It's just not all that, you know? Like people will go there and eat Chipotle. Like, I mean, I know people that did it for like every day for like a month or like once a week or something. It's like, switch it up.
Gut.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Ate at Gymkhana in Vegas. I'm going to be Googling that. Thank you very much for the recommendation.
Okay, seller stepping up here. I want them to test 80, come back up, retest like 88, and then drop from there. Yeah, that's a test of 80. 88. Let's see that come into play now.
Ooh, the Ryan, this place looks fancy.
Oh,
yeah, it's Vegas. I guess they are all fancy. $4 signs, Ryan. $4 signs. Damn. Big spender over here. Chat, let's take a look at the photos. Oh, wait, Jamie's putting a trade on. Never mind.
I'm thinking about it. It just, I was looking at 88 short if it tested 80 and it just flew straight to the downside.
Okay. If that fills, let me know. Otherwise, we're going to be looking at Gymkhana food. This looks pretty banging. Oh, yeah, I have to switch back to my screen. Okay, very nice.
Let's see what you got. Oh, that looks nice. What are they? Frittatas?
I don't know. I'm catching up on chat. Costco Pizza's king is a crazy sentence. That's wild.
Never
it's
had
Indian food. Is this lamb? That looks banging. That looks like arguably the best lamb I've ever seen in my life.
That looks good, yeah. Oh. How's that done? That looks like baked in something.
Like elevated chips and salsa. Oh my god, spicy drink. Oh. Like a Thai chili on the drink.
Where's your limit? It's at 85, give or take.
Okay, that's
basically
the end of it. That's their little highlights.
Open.
I mean, it looks really good, Ryan.
Is that
really
bread?
Good.
That looks sensational. Where is this?
Gymkhana, the top left. Ooh. In Las Vegas.
Oh, yeah.
Looks pretty banging.
Ooh, that's
right, back to your screen. You're the only, I feel bad. You're the only one throwing orders on. I like don't see a single trade for me to take here.
Yeah, throwing orders and not getting filled on any of them though.
Hey, doing something.
I do it sometimes on my stream where there'll be this one guy who joins the chat and is like, "Why aren't you trading? I want to see a trade. What trade we taking?"
Oh yeah, one of the
and I'll just throw on a limit order that's like miles away that I know that's not going to get filled. Like, yeah, that's my trade.
Just for the Godville.
Yeah.
Rude, yeah. I know everyone's been saying get him some barbecue. Bro, get me some barbecue too. I've never had Texas barbecue. I've had Carolina's barbecue, which is really good. Never had Texas barbecue though.
I've heard it's good. Then again, I was talking to, I think it was Matt about this on his stream. I have quite a high bar for barbecue because the South Africans do a fantastic one.
I remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we'll find out together, I guess.
Yeah. Just passed another. Hang on, Matt. Slow down, man. How many have you passed? Also, what's the time in Australia? Are you just waking up? It's probably midday for you. Yeah, it's 11 a.m. Huh. Argentina for good barbecue. Blimey. Really? Argentinian barbecue? Sure about that one. Yeah, good morning, Matt. Technically, it's my morning as well, to be fair. How's fish and chips?
It's good. It's a little soggy, but it's good.
You do have to eat it quick, or else it does just turn into mush. Yeah,
I bought this right after work, so like coming up on 3.5 hours ago. So it's been a while.
Yeah.
It's been sitting.
Man, I just don't think I'm going to get the fill on this trade either.
Skid steer. You like Snake River Farms as well? Dude, I'm a big fan of Snake River. Matt put me on to that. I'm a big fan.
What is that? Snake and River Farms?
It is a hold on, let me pull it up on stream so you can see.
Hell yeah.
It's like I don't know what you call it, meat dealer, steak dealer. Dude, I'm still thinking about God-given gain. That's crazy.
Chat, for everyone who's just
man.
joining, don't forget to keep on hitting that like button. Forgot to ask Matt when he was in there.
Banged up off that one. Yeah, they're like a meat dealer. I don't really know how else to say it. There's a word for it, but I don't know what the word is. So I'm just going to show it on stream. Let me go back to my chart real quick. There has been no trading going on, just food talk. Very good. It's just like a bunch of Wagyu stuff. You can get like Prime and maybe not Choice, but you can get Prime. Oh, you can get Choice. Interesting. You can get Prime from them. I've had Wagyu from them. It's pretty good. I'm a fan. It's more of like a special occasion thing though. Like, you know, they'll just go around buying this.
Oh, that looks lovely.
But yeah, they're very nice. It's a good gift.
$69.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
again,
expensive.
it's Wagyu, but what grade? I'd expect grade. Was it grade 5 for that?
I don't know. They have
the Tears Major. That's an Anglais, isn't it?
Oh, what?
Wagyu is hang on.
I brought my
Googling
brother the
this.
Tomahawk one year as a Christmas gift. I think he liked it.
Oh, they're not the same. Tomahawk, yeah.
Oh, this is a
French
new
call
one.
it Cote de
Gold
Boeuf.
Plus. So their normal grades are black, gold, and then I guess gold plus now. That's a new one.
That sounds super duper premium.
Time to spend all my money on it. I'm kidding.
A5 Wagyu, that's it. That was the grade.
Yeah, that's like the Japanese, like the ones that don't even, they look like alien meat. Like the Olive Miyazaki or whatever. There's a whole ton of like different names for them based on like where the cow's from, I think, in Japan.
It's the fat content, I think. It's how much. I think they call it like ribboning or something. Something like that.
Marbling.
Marbling, that's it, yeah. Marbling?
Yeah, that's marbling for sure.
Is it? Yeah.
They don't let them walk. Yeah,
Oh,
pampered cows.
That filled very quickly. I'm short at 70.
Ah, look at your screen. Nice. Good shout, good shout. See if it plays out for the young man.
Yeah, I've been chasing this for a while now, so I want to see sellers hold up. No orders on the books really that I need to be concerned about. In terms of trend, we're looking down, and buyers just swipe me out straight away. That's brilliant. I'm tempted to get back into this at 88 if I see some kind of confirmation, just because that's where my order was before and I chased it down. How's Asia? Does it usually just swipe in one direction and just hold that direction? Or is that?
Sorry,
you say?
I'm looking at.
Holy boner candle. Oh,
I did
man.
not,
Yeah.
but I think this is to your DM. I did not, but I think we will rip it. Just let me know when you're closing out, all right?
Yeah, sure.
Because I haven't in a hot second. Like it's been a while. I looked at my my thing, my little tracker.
Excellent.
Whoa! What are we doing?
Yeah, mate. That's the first time I've taken a trade and it was short, and immediately does that. I got slipped as well.
I'm sorry.
This market sucks.
Yo, it's the market's fault.
Yeah, Fred's not on our side. I got slipped for 3 points, I think.
Hey, you are contractually allowed to complain about Fred now more than twice a day. So.
That's true. Yeah.
Until the next one. Who was calling me out on stream for that? It was either Ryan or Liam. Was like, I was talking about the market, and someone was like, "Yo, here you've hit your limit."
You've hit your limit. That's crazy. I was not expecting a bid from here, to be honest. After the action that we were forming.
Yeah, we'll see how high it goes. We are on your chart still. Sorry, let's go back to mine real quick. That was me. Thanks, boys. Thanks.
Just good accountability, buddy.
Yeah, I'm not trying to violate my contract or anything.
You're contractually obligated to complain more now.
We have okay, so that initial rollover off of like 93, 94s was prior day's point of control. So that made sense to trade. If I had been long from the lows from like 670, where I wanted to be long,
Yeah.
but I just fumbled it because I was looking at everything else. That would have been my final target. Would have been prior day's point of control. So that has traded out. That's a big pump back into point of control. There was a large buyer, like aggressive buyer, that stepped up at the highs as well. And as of right now, is still getting paid. It's still pumping past that original entry. So, I mean, I know I've said it, but like shorts are tough, man. Shorts are tough for me.
Yeah.
I'm not super interested in taking that personally.
I'm not keen on shorting this. I'm keen on a retrace and a bid. It's just where it's not really, apart from that last pullback, which took forever, it's not really going that deep. Liam's asking how much for a quad flex.
Yeah, what's up with the quad flex? I've seen this in the chat like 4 or 5 times at this point.
Yeah. Well, I asked him to show off his quads because he was someone asked him about his legs and then he was talking about them and I said, show off your quads. And he went, okay. Oh, Jamie, no. I'm afraid that's a different kind of stream. You have to donate $10 for that. And then within like 60 seconds, I donated $10 to the stream. And so he was like, oh, fuck. He had to stand up and just show off his thighs.
Nice. Clip it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
So funny. Yeah.
Yeah, it's still pumping, dude. Tough scene.
I mean, when this candle closes out in a minute and a half, that prior wick at 95 is interesting. It's just because we straight lined up to it, I'd have to place my stop loss just based off of hope.
Right, let me switch to your camera. 15 points. See a prior wick. Oh, okay. On the way back down. Got it.
Yes, that one.
Got it.
And then probably into yesterday's close would be interesting.
What up, Mantis?
I want to see us not trade it yet.
Good to see you.
Hi, Montes.
We are on your. I was looking at your chart. It looks like we're coming into prior day's value area high, right?
We're just gone through it now. It was at about 17.
That is an interesting area for me to watch. I don't have it marked, so I'm just going to use your chart real quick. That's an interesting area for me to watch, though, because yesterday's session was really balanced. I can like pull up my chart real quick and see what the volume looked like. But yesterday's session was very balanced, so that should be a reasonably strong level to some extent. I mean, take it with a grain of salt, but should be an interesting area. All the way up to like, for me at least, I have up until like 840 makes sense. Anything up to 840 is still kind of looking halfway decent.
Yeah.
Let me open the. I'm gonna keep my 15-second chart up. This is more of like my execution chart, and if we start stalling out up at the highs here at all, I could be interested in the short. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a second to kind of. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to give it a second to kind of play out though, and see what actually happens. Because so far this looks really pumpy.
Like I usually use the 22 range for some confirmation around this, and I mean, I know all my candles are white on the 22 range, but there's not been a single red one this entire move up since 70, since when I got short.
Straight pumping.
I don't know. I think the only place that makes sense to bid is where I've got my entry at. The only scary thing is stop loss. Like,
yeah, how much do you have to give it?
The proper invalidation point is 32.5 points of stop loss.
Yep.
With 1 mini. And because it's the same day as my London session stream tomorrow, I don't want to put too much on this account and blow it on stream, you know?
Yeah, you're right. I got you.
So I think 15 points is a reasonable amount.
You're right.
I want us to sort of retrace back down now. Why not just size down? Because I like minis. I don't like trading the micros. Just personal preference. I always it gives me too much freedom to change the size, and I don't like managing lots of different contracts. I'd rather just one in, one out, and then manage my trades. I might have to size down to micros eventually, though, given how as NQ grows, the volatility grows, and 10 points becomes a lot smaller of a move.
Yeah, I was thinking about that. I was talking about it on stream the other night, but the ranges have expanded so much over time. Like if you've been trading for a few years now, which you have, then like you remember like sub 20k NQ. I'm assuming like the
Yeah, I
ranges.
joined when it was about 16k. I think that was when I started. Must have been.
Yeah, exactly. So like the ranges since then have just become so much larger.
Yeah.
I know someone who tracks like average daily ranges over like, you know, a look back of like 30 days or whatever. And then they have a metric that shows, okay, like what is today's range so far? And how does that compare to prior days' historical range look back to get an idea of how volatile a session has been so far, or whether we're like kind of nearing the completion of what's like an expected range on the day, if that makes sense at all.
Yeah.
And the average daily range is like 700 points over the last 30 days.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah.
I mean, Matt was saying, like, the 15-minute opening range for him, like, it would be an average of 10 to 15, 10 to between 5 and 15 points, I think he says, was the 15-minute opening range of the New York session. That's crazy. If we saw that today, you'd look at your calendar and go, is this a market holiday or something? What's going on?
Yeah, exactly. How long ago was that? 10 to 15? That had to have been like 2019.
Must
like
have been,
NQ 5K.
Yeah, because it's a percentage move every day. Like
Right.
we're up from the Globex Open. How much are we up? About 100 points. Bit less than that, and that's only 0.29% on the day. Like, not much.
Yeah, pre-COVID. All right, starting to slightly stall out. Not sure I love it.
On the 1 minute, but the thing is, on the 22 range, we have only printed one candle in the last 4 minutes.
Let me flip to your screen real quick.
Like
Oh,
this,
I see.
this like, or
Gotcha.
technically two candles. These two candles are the only two that have printed for that.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you know what? Should I give it a stab?
Oh my.
A very micro stab. Quickly wick it.
I do have your chart up, just a heads up.
What I'll probably do is, yeah, I want to get a fill here really quickly. Come on. Come on, don't do it to me. It's going to leave me. It was like half a point away, and it was just sort of holding right below me.
Just walking the line.
Yeah. I'm not sure I'm too keen on it. Retesting it now. We'll see. And then what I'll probably do is take this down into that where I wanted to get long and place a long order there as well. So I basically in and out. And then back in.
Off of the top of that little consolidation.
Yeah. Okay, I'm taking that off now and place my original buy order into new highs. I'd like to see yesterday's close, new highs. Retesting that, to be fair.
Oh, Jordan, I see you are. What's the name here? Why is my Discord not working? Why can I not see a single name? What is going on? Where did I break? I broke it. I can't see your name.
My name?
No, not your name. Jordan in the chat, his Discord name. It literally just will not show up. But he's the guy that got the fully loaded earlier. I don't know if you saw that. Someone
fully loaded.
There is a new fully loaded person in the chat. Yes, that birdie. Yes, okay, got it. Thank you. It
What
just
do you mean
wouldn't
fully
show
loaded?
up for me. Oh, you're short.
I am, yeah.
It's lock in.
Tighten this up. I want to see an aggressive move to the downside. It's just not having any of it. Yeah.
Sorry, man. Careful. Leave yourself in a spot to trade tomorrow. Remember?
Oh, I've got plenty. Yeah.
Okay. As long
More
as you got
than
room.
plenty. Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
I might have been swiped. We'll see. It's just
Chat,
there's nothing.
Chat, I want to do something for y'all, but y'all gotta, catch up on the like button. It's looking a little dry out there. I'm gonna give y'all a few minutes to catch up on that, and we'll reconsider or reevaluate the situation. If you're picking up what I'm putting down.
131 people watching. I got back in short.
Oh man, you're firing.
Yeah.
What time is it for you right now? 1:30? 2:30?
220.
Jesus, dude.
Yeah, 131 people in here, 134 people in here, 37 people have liked. You cannot enter this giveaway if you haven't liked the stream.
Whoa, whoa,
Your
whoa.
name
Who
will
said
be
the G
removed.
word? Who said the G word?
What?
What?
G word? Oh, sorry.
Anyways, wow, look at the chart going up, man. I mean, price is really moving up. 820s trading right
Giving
now.
away love.
No, chat. Y'all need to run it up, and then I can launch you a calm little gift, a little something. Top ticked, rip.
It was top ticked. Yeah.
Oh wait,
To be
maybe
fair,
he
it
was talking
my
about your
fault, I
trade.
tightened it.
I think Jordan was talking about your trade. Oh yeah, yeah. So you know what fully loaded is?
I'm gonna get stopped on this one. Okay, that's fine.
Rip, dude.
2 attempts at one thing.
Sometimes it just doesn't play out, man.
I'm gonna place that just in
Oh
case
my
because I
God.
don't mind
The
that.
back to
I'm gonna
back
place
just-
it. I'm gonna place it.
Oh man. So fully loaded is if you've got confirmed past funded accounts with like the confirmation bot in Discord. If you have fundeds with all 4 firms, and then what was this? Grand Slam is if it's a baseball reference. So fully loaded means you've got everything on base, and then Grand Slam, if you get a payout from each prop, then you get the Grand Slam roll.
Oh,
And then Matt was
juicy.
saying there might be, I don't know if he did it or didn't do it, but there might be like a secret little bonus roll if you get a payout from each firm within a 30-day period. There's one called the printer, and it's like a additional roll. I don't know if he ended up making that or not though. And it was
I
talking
like
about
that. I like
it.
that.
Jamie
to be fair.
firing indeed, man. Jamie absolutely slinging right now.
To be fair, they were all shorts. That was a bit dumb with me. You posted it in Spec Trades.
I do see it. I mean, oh wait, I'm showing your screen. Sorry. Quite the
Oh,
heater
yeah.
there, sir. Quite the heater. So yeah, you caught the exact trade I wanted from the lows all the way up. GG's, good trade. Is this Ninja? Am I looking at Ninja Trader?
I don't recognize that, to be fair. Doesn't look like Ninja's order.
Deep Charts, got it. Got it.
Oh, you can do. What? Deep charts work with Rhythmic.
I have no
That's
idea. No idea.
Did we test yesterday's close? We did. That's scary. God, I understand why you're struggling in the Globex. This is
Yeah, you gotta be really patient, man. Like real patient. All right, chat. We got
banger.
59 likes. If y'all can get this to a hundo, I can make something happen for y'all. But I am gonna need to see a triple digit number. Seeing as how there is a triple digit amount of you watching. And I know more people than are gonna like it are gonna enter the giveaway if one were to happen. So I am gonna need y'all to make this a team effort.
Okay, one thing that does concern me about this trade, looking at the 15-minute. I'm gonna sit this one out. 15-minute closing as a doji after a big move like that up. I want to see how we behave up here. So maybe if we do close like this, so we've got 4 minutes to the close of this 15-minute chart. Break below 8.10. And then retest the prior open, which is at 25.
Maybe you have some sellers coming through here now as well. Could be interesting. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, big sellers at the highs. Okay, I'm gonna put a short order in for 826, and we'll see if that plays.
Have volume about to come in. Do we really? Is that an 8:30 Central Time volume? 2:30
do we?
a.m. volume. Maybe I'll just set an alarm every
I don't know,
night.
do we? I know like Tokyo Open. I don't necessarily know. I don't remember seeing anything like specifically at 9:30 my time.
Yeah, that was a good flat in there. I'd be. No, to be fair,
We get up a little further into like 24s, I'll take the short. I do need to see it trade a little bit higher.
and
Pretty
key Matt, I think we
please.
get to New York high. Here's the kicker. I don't know when.
Eventually.
Yeah. I think eventually this market's going to hit 31K.
Oh, yeah. I mean, markets are designed to grind up. That's what they do. They go up. All right, give me one last test higher into like 25s, 30s, and then I will short at some point if it gets there. Give me a little more, though.
Jordan, are you European as well, man?
All right, I'm going to take the entry in there. I'm going to tighten my stop a bit to that prior high at 840. And what am I looking at as a target? Ideally, Kelt mid. I think that would be like a pretty banging trade.
Are you in now?
I am.
Nice one. I like it.
I think that would be a pretty banging trade if it were to play out. We'll see, though. I'm only risking 110 on this total, so very manageable risk-wise. I'm probably going to end up... Sorry,
going to be looking for the same trade just when in a minute and a half.
Okay. That 9:30 volume call, I got you spooked?
No, I want to see how this 15-minute closes.
Okay, gotcha.
Because if there is volume at 9:30 Eastern time...
Yeah, I don't know what that is. I don't remember seeing like 9:30 be a specifically high volume time. I do have some tea right now, though, by the way. I do have some tea.
English tea?
No, green tea with honey.
Oh, nice. Very healthy.
I started doing green tea with honey like pretty much daily on the stream at this point, just because I feel like I talk so much that like my voice literally gets tired. So it helps a little bit.
Yeah, I'm worried I'm going to lose mine this week.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
Creeping up.
Yeah.
It's also because I talk literally all day at work on the phone. So it's a lot of talking in a single day.
Yeah.
All right, 20 seconds. Oh, no, maybe not. 35 seconds, sorry, until 9:30 liquidity injection. Allegedly.
I want to watch
And
swing
if
two
this
range and see
trade-
where it goes.
If this trade doesn't work out, then I'm going to call it a scam and never press the short button again. Is how this is going to go. I have been enjoying trading RTH though, man. I gotta say, it's so nice to be able to like show up. Yeah, the first like 15 minutes, light leverage, like 2 to 3 micros, wait for price to wick out the Keltner channel low, get long, and then just hold for like 150 points.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That has been nice.
That's why I'm so okay with. I'm still in the RTH sort of mindset still, because that was the last thing I was trading. So
Yeah.
I think that's why I'm just firing these things off, because that's how I trade the New York. Really, I do take sort of multiple stabs at the same move,
Sure.
then I hold it for quite a lot of points when I get it. So
Oh, they want my stop. I can taste it. They smell it, man. They smell it. Look at them reaching for it. My stop's at 840, by the way, for reference. Any MMs in the chat? Any MMs about to swipe this for me or what? I would appreciate if the MMs could give me a, what is this? A 60 point roughly move that I'm looking for.
That'd be juicy.
Yeah.
60 points
Dude.
to the downside, down into what, 760, give or take?
Yeah, 764 is my exit. Dude, I had a kind of a sick trade last night. I was long and I held this long for no joke, like 2 hours total. Ended the stream up a little bit on the position. It was like bouncing between like 100 to 180 bucks in profit. After I have a rule now where like I give price one opportunity to retest for break even, and then after that I move to break even, so that way I'm not like getting wicked out on the first move back to my entry. So that happened, put it break even, and then like went and got ready for bed and all that. Come back, I'm still in the trade, so I'm like, all right, whatever. I'm just gonna babysit this real quick. Ends up wicking me out like literally the bottom tick before running straight to target an hour later.
Ooh, rough.
And I got slippage on it. Gross.
Oh yeah, slippage is. I gotta say, slippage irritates me more than anything else because it's like
Yeah.
you feel genuinely robbed,
Yeah.
even though in the
Like,
long run it doesn't do much.
right. But like the stop you put on, you're okay with the stop, right? Like you decided that's okay, this is where I'm getting out. And then you get out 6 points lower and it's like, what happened, man?
Yeah.
All right, chat. I know I'm gonna trade. I am monitoring the likes for y'all. I am monitoring it, Don't think I'm not. We are 29 shy, sir. 29 shy. Need y'all to step up a little bit here. Chat, time this so that my trade hits full take profit as it crosses the threshold. How about that? So what about tartar sauce? Do you not like the flavor?
Don't know. I think it's a gherkins. I'm not a huge fan of gherkins. I've got gherkins in them, haven't they? I'm not just making that up.
There might be.
To be fair, it's something that like I decided a long time ago I don't like them, and ever since then I just sort of took that as gospel. I mustn't like them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I got you.
It is gherkins. Oh, and cornichons. Yeah, there's never been an absolutely monstrously big fan. Jaws, I've got some terrible news, my friends. I've actually faded you.
That's fine, dude. That's totally fine.
Although it's not really catching much momentum.
I've got your screen on the chart right now. Oh, this is nice. I can show your screen, your trade and all that. And then chat can still see my P&L on my little P&L counter. Sick.
Ah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Don't know why my TP's all the way up there, to be honest with you, but
so you're long. You're long looking for what is that? 100.
I don't know what I'm looking for. I don't know where we're going to go. To be honest, this is my first time in this market in a long time in this market condition.
For what it's worth,
since the Trump presidency,
we have already moved a decent amount on the market, like on the session so far. Just keep that in mind. Like, that's all I'm going to say. I don't want to influence you. I don't want to tell you how to trade. All I'm going to say is that we've moved, like top to bottom, this move so far has been 660s up into 840, almost 200 points, 180 points or so.
Yeah.
So just keep that in mind.
All I'm going off of is history, really. To be fair, this doesn't. Oh, blimey, what have I done? It doesn't happen very often in Asia where we just sort of bid straight up.
Yeah, I haven't seen this one in a bit.
I'm trying to find one. I actually can't find one.
Dude, my watch just told me I've had a relaxing day. In what world? I had the opposite of that. Like, very much the opposite. That's okay, a crazy look.
Last time I can find this happen was Wednesday, the 29th of June. June? Sorry, July. No. Yeah, July. That was the last time this happened. Let's see how I'm doing. Oh, I got stopped. Oh, okay. Didn't even notice.
RIP.
You're long and he's short. Yeah, we're hedging each other. It's not fading, it's hedging.
Well, be careful. I'm short based on outside of the Celts coming up into value area high on a balanced prior session. So makes sense for sellers to fade that area. And we did see sellers like actually step in, which is why my stop is where it is, right above that prior high where sellers stepped in. Yeah. All of that looks good for me to try and take a short here, especially on order flow. I've got two large sellers stepping in at the highs right at 830. So like I'm comfortable with it. Can it not play out? Sure, but I'm willing to give it a shot. Everything to me is reading, hey, this looks like a halfway decent fade now.
Would you expect volume to pick up to the downside or no?
Like as we trade lower to see more volume? Yeah. Because I assume, given just like this aggressive move we had from 766 to where we are now, I would assume there's probably like a lot of resting orders looking to backfill in that area.
Yeah.
So as those get hit, I would assume volume ticks up.
Yeah. Cool. I like the principles.
See
I
where
like
we're
the-
at. Chat, what are we doing? 24 away. Get on it.
Really? Can't get that little extra bit of juice to that 100. No. What was your entry in that short? 20. Trying to work it back. 24.
I am, yeah, short 22s. If I had placed a limit where I was originally talking about 26s, 25s, I would have gotten basically a top tick fill. So there's that.
Really nice, yeah.
I didn't get it, obviously.
Sounds like you're learning Asia quite nicely.
Let this trade work out first, and then maybe I'll answer that. If it's green, yeah, 100%. Love Asia. Never trading anything but Asia. If it's red,
I'm pretty much just experimenting with it today.
Yeah, there's definitely a learning curve. Like, no doubt, there is a learning curve for sure.
I just want to fire things off and see how they do and see how they work. Because whenever you're in a trade, obviously you lock in much more to it. And I don't know how this market works. I'm in an eval. I'm not going to see any of this money, and it doesn't cost me too much to replace it. So
yeah,
I'd much rather learn a few things on it. Obviously, in sessions that I'm used to, I should be locking in a lot harder. But this is Asia. So I'm firing them off pretty aggressively today. I took it also to the short sides at 18 was value area high. Yesterday's value area high. So you guys don't trade New York at all? We both do.
I have been recently at work, admittedly. Probably shouldn't, but I have been. I like it a lot. I don't trade it on stream though, obviously. Can we get Danny to come on? Dude, that is I'm not opposed. Just gonna have to figure it out.
Well, I'm sure you'll be on Matt's stream at one day, and then you'll get to see how Josh trades at New York session. Which is interesting.
Yeah, that too.
It was quite cool when I joined Matt on his stream, and people got to see how I trade the New York session. Even though none of the levels that I wanted to play actually played that day, which is really frustrating. But
that's how it be.
Obviously, at the end of my stream, I always talk about it. Okay, this is what I'll be looking into going to New York. Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, it'd be like that. I just hope that I don't the day that I do end up getting on. I hope that I don't show up and then it's just immediate back to back stop outs.
Dude, to be fair, did you see mine? I was actually kind of.
I saw part of it. I was in and out for it because of work, but I was I had it in one ear. Yeah.
I switched to a different account after I ended mine when I joined Matt's. I was down at one point on stream $845.
Rip.
And I was really oh god,
stressing.
Oh god. And I thought I was going to daily loss limit. And I thought I cannot daily loss limit on stream. So I took a trade. I took a trade, and I went break even. It started moving in my favor, and then I told Matt I was in a trade. I thought because if this DLLs, I cannot tell anyone. I cannot show you. So I was I had another account ready to switch to in case it didn't work.
Damn. Oh, I mean, props for being open about it here. That's Did you say any of this real time?
No, I didn't really have a chance, but as soon as I told everyone whilst I was in the trade, but I sort of made sure that first the trade wasn't going to daily loss limit me first.
That's wild. This looks cooked. This looks so cooked. Buyers are actually starting to try again. Really? Just get it over with, man. Sell back to Kelp mid, get me out. Honestly, sell back to prior day's low. Why not? That would be ideal.
They
I'm
are
not going to look for all
defending,
that, but that would be sick.
They are defending sort of the 9-10 area. Have you ever traded Nikkei?
I have not. I've seen people trade it. It looks painful, for sure.
Yeah. I've heard
Have
the
you?
slippage is like the worst.
Yeah, the book is thin. It's not great.
Yeah. Because it's like just like you can get good moves and you can get great trades, but like if you wanted one particular price, you ain't getting it. So you'll get something around that area. But
Yeah, just set your chart to like a 5-point increment and then just trade that way.
yeah, exactly. There's no point zooming in on a macro level because you won't get any information
Oh,
that's worth
speaking
looking
of-
at.
Speaking of zooming in, let's I don't know if Liam's still here. Let's get the old analysis going. Really gotta enhance Jarvis enhance.
You got what?
Jarvis enhance.
Oh, his the gaps between
Enhance.
his candles are hilarious.
Nice.
Yeah, get a bit closer to that. Just
Yep. Okay.
no,
Enhanced.
hang on. No, I can still see the other candle. I want to see one at a time.
I can't go any further. This is max zoom.
Do you see what it
We're
looks like on Sierra
enhanced.
chart?
Oh yeah. Look at this enhancement. I'm on your. Oh, you're in a trade already? What's going on?
Yeah, I'm in short 718. Oh, I don't want to zoom into the stop loss.
Yeah, let the market makers know exactly where the stop is. I have your screen up, by the way.
What's the 22 range look like if I zoom right in? Because he has his 22 range zoomed in as well. We get to see the exact tick that I get stopped now.
Rip.
I like that rejection there.
Nice. Still alive. Kind of.
Yeah, I'm monitoring this 122 range candle. It's giving me anxiety.
Yeah, MNQ is slowly ticking higher. NQ, not so much. Oh, there it is. It's catching up. Oh, no.
One tick is like a centimeter on my screen.
My, these sellers I saw at 8:30 are still technically defending. They haven't given anything back yet because they sold from 8:31 and 8:27. So as long
Liam's
as
here
price
now.
holds below that area, I think this trade looks a-okay.
This is what it's like watching Liam stream.
Liam's in the chat.
How do you get any information from this dude? It's like-
Enhance.
I'm watching every tick with like macro precision. Like if the price moves one tick against me, I'm getting so nervous.
Welcome to quant trading. This is my quant.
What is this?
Price just do it. Just a wick like 70 points lower. One
My
time.
poor scroll wheel. Oh my god, I'm in the money.
Let's go. I spoke too soon.
Instantly whipped back out of it.
1 second Heineken Ashley candle and a range chart zoomed in.
What did you call it? Heineken Ashley. I like that.
Yeah, yeah, that's a really old joke. I don't even know if anyone in this chat actually remembers that. That's really old.
Chat, does anyone here actually use Heineken Ashley candles?
Oh my god, they're gonna do it, dude. Buyers are gonna do it. Why? Why?
Oh,
Hold
my
the
22
line.
range is all screwed up now.
Hold the line. Train 25s, 26. Hold the line. Oh, 29. Big jump.
I
It's
got
cooked.
stopped.
It's so cooked. Dude, that was a lot of trades in that one little range.
Yeah, it's messy, isn't it? I'm just
Yeah.
5 minutes. Oh, god, my 1 minute.
Wolf. Hold the line. I think I'm cooked too, actually.
I just want to learn how this works. Like, liaison
Chat,
session.
this is why I don't take shorts. Shorts are a scam.
To be fair, this is the one market I've never actually got a payout in.
Asia.
Yeah. Never made any money in Asia.
Yeah, I've definitely been having better results in RTH. I'm not gonna lie. I have an Apex end of day. No, it's an intraday. Sorry, I have an Apex intraday 50k eval that I've been working on as well. That I've been treating as like my RTH account.
Yeah.
and that one is doing well. It was originally down because I started trading it during Asia, and I took 2 back-to-back 500 points. Sorry, 500 points, $500 stops. So like just off rip, immediately down 1,000, and then have grinded it back since then to plus like 800 on the account total, but just trading RTH through micros.
Yeah.
So it's definitely been treating me a lot better. This Lucid eval has been
Yes.
struggling too, just because I'm sitting here watching paint dry and not taking the trades I should have off the lows.
Yeah, I'm just stabbing at every single thing I see.
I guess it's
I
just
don't know.
throwing
I don't
darts
know
out
what
there.
levels to look for. That's the thing. Like,
It's tough. That's why I use the Celts just for like extensions to see like roughly where, like, are we underextended, overextended, etc.
yeah,
Just gives you like a
Like-
gauge.
I'm marking out prior 15-minute levels. To be fair, oh screw it, I'll just mark it in long. I
Oh my god.
want to see us extend into that next level at 8:59. I'm literally just marking out prior highs and lows on wicks.
Mhm. The old
This is anything I'm
liquidity
trying to
grab.
look for. Yeah,
I mean, as of right now, I think I'm gonna get stopped out personally. Price is still just kind of grinding higher. Put in like a nice little, I don't know if this counts as a cup and handle, but like a nice little rounding bottom
yeah.
around like 14s, 15s, and are pumping out of it. That in
Well,
an uptrend is usually a pretty good sign.
After marking out these sort of highs and lows on the 15-minute chart, where we bounced was a prior high at basically 10, actually, isn't it? Let me just where's that? Yeah, 12, give or take.
Mhm.
No, I think that's pretty good. And then the next high is up at 59. So that's where I've got my take profit right now. So let's see if we get that. I mean, I'd still be red on the session even after that because of how many have been firing off. But I just want to see how it reacts to these levels.
Sure. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. Rip, whatever. Worth a shot. Again, this is why I hate shorting.
It had so much potential. It's just it just didn't have the follow through to get us to actually build momentum to the downside. Like if we'd broken some levels and broken down a little bit, we'd have seen some continuation. It's just because we stayed
Yeah.
stagnant right above that prior low.
Yeah. Could have
No
wished
follow
they'd
through.
taken the long, but whatever. Missed it. It is what it is. I'm just trying to keep the risk light that way. Honestly, my mental right now, very much so, is like knowing, okay, chat can see it on my P&L. I'm just gonna switch to my screen real quick.
Yep.
Stopped out. Oh, y'all can't see this. Hold on. Would help if I showed the chart. Stopped out right there. Just prior high. Looks like it's gonna run. Oh well, womp womp. Back to your screen. My mentality recently has been like knowing that I'm going to be trading RTH relatively soon is like just keep the accounts alive. Like don't do anything stupid, especially because I've been able to trade some more RTH recently.
Yeah.
Within my situation, I'm okay with it. That being said, I'm trying to pass the Apex one first through RTH and then maybe throw the Lucid on there. For now, this Lucid has just been like my Asia eval.
Yeah. It's it's interesting. I'm still trying to get around how I want to manage all of my accounts, everything. Like how I want to juggle streaming, making content, being and obviously still taking payouts. Like
Yeah.
because I originally had the idea of trading one account in London, one account on New York, and that makes sense in principle, but then it's quite hard to stick to because sometimes you'll have a really rubbish London and then you'll have a really great New York and then you'll want to switch to it and then you just don't have as it's like you end up looking at it and thinking what do you want to do, but
you look at it, you're like, oh, I could make it all back.
Yeah,
right,
and also
chat.
it's the fact of like
Sorry, go ahead.
different markets you trade in differently.
Yep.
So
Peak example
it's
is Asia.
really tricky. Yeah, I have no idea how to trade this. That's why I've just been going, woo, let's take a long here.
Honestly, 1 to 2 trades a night and just hope that you hit a banger. I think that's what I've been trying to do.
Yeah, that's good, to be fair. I like that.
Because if you
principle.
overtrade in this, it's so sideways most of the time. Like this is an outlier for sure. We normally have not, as far as I've seen, have not had like nice trendy sessions like this so far. So this is not normal. Most times
Really?
it's like fairly aggressively sideways. You'll get like a break from the range to go tag out like a kind of a major level, whether it's like prior days point of control or like prior days low or prior days high. Generally plays really well during Asia, and then just right back into the range. So it's kind of rare that we get continuations.
That's interesting, to be fair.
Chat, speaking of
We're getting it
accounts,
today.
y'all have a little bit more work to do.
You're joking. There's no way they haven't
No, they
done it
haven't.
yet.
Unreal,
Oh my
right? Unbelievable.
Chat, that's ridiculous.
I know. Really slacking tonight.
Yeah. I'm really confused what we're doing up here.
Stalling.
Yeah, well, stalling, but why?
Oh, I don't know.
We are
Had
actually
a pretty
putting in
large move
volume
so
up here.
far. I mean, if this keeps going up like another 20 points, we're gonna be closing up on like a 200-point move top to bottom. It's pretty big.
One thing I'm noticing is actually on Asia, we're putting in significantly more volume than on the volume histogram than London.
Nice.
That makes no sense to me.
Asia #1, baby.
Yeah.
Damn. If we got a like every time Jamie entered a trade, we'd be there. F.
I'm learning. Okay, I've got my teacher here. He's my hand holder.
Oh, I'm not a good
Jaws
teacher,
takes
bro.
responsibility for every trade.
Your teacher's down, dog. Your teacher's down 117.
Mine down, actually.
I'm definitely not the teacher.
That's all good, Greg. I accepted my fate when I joined this. I want to have fun with it.
Thank you again for doing this, by the way. I know it's egregiously late for you.
That's fine. It's not that early. My stream starts at 11 a.m. my time, so I must have a lion tomorrow.
Nice. Got the late start.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm not getting much sleep anyway, to be honest. Even now, because it's like this so hot and I don't have air conditioning, obviously. It's like brutal.
We didn't even
Just end up
talk
lying
about
in
that.
bed.
We didn't even get
Sorry?
to that. We didn't
What, the
even
air
get to the no
conditioning?
AC part. Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh my god! Honestly, it feels like we're back in vintage times. It's brutal, man. I don't know how. I actually don't know what the luxury is like to just have air conditioning everywhere you go.
Hey, man, come visit. I'll show you.
Ugh. 108 Fahrenheit. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's hot. That's really hot.
I think I'm going to get stopped out on this break even.
Potentially.
We'll see. It's
I
kind
wouldn't
of
be
it's coming
surprised.
close.
I wouldn't be surprised if we just like omega stall up here. Like just range
Do you reckon?
840 to 810 for like the next hour. I wouldn't be surprised.
Well, I'm banking on us continuing even further from here.
Chat, how
I
we
learned
doing
from
on
the World
the
Cup.
on the quota? What's the quota looking like? 82, brother. What's going on, man?
I almost need to swap my 1 minute chart out for 5 minute, 5 minute out for 15, and my 15-minute out for an hourly. Like that's how slow it is right now.
Potentially.
One thing I hate about these slow markets is you see it on the DOM. I don't know if you see it on yours as much, but the way mine does it, like you see the bid and the ask moving up, and down, and price just doesn't budge.
Yeah, because that's the spread moving around, but nothing's actually traded.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah, it
happens in
gets
thin
stopped.
markets. That's why you get slippage.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
Yeah.
Puking back down. Had I just had an open stop, then I would technically be in the money here. If this runs all the way to my target now, I'm going to crash out. You're never going to see me on stream again. I'm going to crash out.
Yeah.
Punch all my stuff.
This is
That's what I'm
a really
saying,
brutal
MQ
market,
Matt.
to be
That's what
fair.
I'm saying. The numbers, the math ain't mathin', bro. Something's up with the numbers. Something is up with the numbers. Chat, I want to do this for y'all. Trust me, I want to. I know I haven't in a while. That's why I'm waiting. Trying to be diligent about this.
I want to see. Oh God, this is so. I don't. My ADHD cannot handle this slowness.
It's bad. It's taken training for sure, dude. The first
Yeah.
week, you remember that big like recap, which I need to go back and do my recaps from last week. I haven't done that. Bad streamer moment. That one recap I sent that had like 17 trades a day. After that, I looked at that. Did you see that?
No, I didn't. Oh no, I
let
remember
me-
actually. Oh, was this on the our streamer chat?
Yes. Yeah, that
and you
giant
it was like
write up
this-
I had.
Yeah, this monstrously big thing. Yeah.
It's like 17 a day. I saw that and was like, dude, I gotta take less trades. Like, this is nuts.
Yeah, I'm trying to cut mine down still. I'm still kind of adjusting. It's just I'm adjusting to how it is overall, because like I started trading London 2 weeks before I started streaming again, like sort of revising, you know.
Yeah.
And I was having a lot of success actually, and I started the stream and that success sort of carried into it, and it was great. It's quite tricky to. I think what my problem is at the moment. One thing that I'm definitely experiencing. Do you remember that video that Matt put out a little while ago of the stress? You don't want not enough stress. You don't want too much stress. You want in the middle stress. I've got too little, to be honest.
Okay.
I'm just going, fire this off. Do this. Oh, I like this. Let's do it. I'm not stressed enough about my trades. I'm too relaxed at the moment.
Interesting. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like flow state. Like, it's not a bad I don't know. It depends how you trade. Like, so like when I overtrade, when I take more than like 3 to 4 trades in a day, I generally am just giving back money and not actually making anything. So like, even if I am in like flow state and like I'm on that balance of like being stressed where I'm like making like good decisions, like I'm being forced to make, you know, thoughtful decisions, but not overly stressed or I'm like cracking from it. When I have that balance, then yes, like I fit into like 3 to 4 trades, but it also depends on how you trade. Like if your method of trading wants you to take more trades in the day than I would, like if your best performance happens around like 20 trades in a day, then it just comes down to like
around 2.
2 for you. Okay, so that's good that you know that number then. So you just gotta you just kind of have to like adapt to it. I know it's easier said than done, but it's gonna do it, isn't it? No way.
I don't know what it's going to do. I
You
think
gotta
it's
adapt
going to
to it,
do
though,
exactly what
like-
you said and chop it.
When was the last time you had a session where you didn't take a single trade? Like you just sat and watched the chart and didn't take anything?
Oh, not in a long time.
Right. So that's a good exercise.
Ages, yeah.
That I've done. Not super recently, but like I have done it whenever I feel like I'm really like pushing too hard. It's like just take a single session. Doesn't even necessarily have to be like your normal session. Like I was gonna say come on for Asia with me, but like I know this is ungodly late for you. But like maybe like Liam's stream or like Matt's, I don't know. Like whatever you think is like a good session for you, just like don't take a trade, you know?
Yeah.
And I'm saying this to you. I'm also saying
is the New York Open, yeah.
I'm saying this to myself as well. And I'm saying this for everyone in chat. Like if you feel like you're pushing too hard or you're not getting the results that you normally expect, like take a step back. Don't just keep pressing the gas pedal when it's not working. Take a step back to see what is going wrong. What am I doing? What am I not doing? Do I need to do more of something? Do I need to do less of something? Like you need to take that step back to be able to actually see, hey, what's the issue?
100%.
Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Yeah. Done so many TED Talks on my stream as well. I completely agree. Yeah. It's you know, overtrading can be caused by so many different things. It's like you just got to diagnose what it is for you. What do you think it is for you? Is it FOMO? Is it greed?
Mm-hmm.
You know, it could be so many different things. Is it fear? Sometimes it's fear. Like if you're afraid to touch the market, it's weird. It can have an inverse effect because you're too afraid to give a trade the risk that it needs. I've had that many times where I'm too afraid to give the trade like 25, 30 points, which it absolutely needs, which I should give it. And so what do? I try 4 times with 10 points, and boom, I've actually risked 40 points as opposed to the 25, 30 that I would have done originally.
Correct.
And sometimes those 40 points won't even work out because I'll be burnt out by the time the trade actually moves.
Yeah, I mean, good to recognize. Just got to adapt.
Diagnose, self-diagnose first, and be honest with yourself about it.
If this short goes now, it's going to be so brutal.
I reckon so. Right, chat, how are we doing with likes? I want to do a giveaway with me on stream. Well, I want Josh to do a giveaway with me on stream.
I do too, but chat is not participating. Apparently. Chat did not come to play. Showed up and left their cleats at home, jerseys at home, helmets in the car.
They're not putting in a shift. Very, very unfortunate. If you think you're going to get a giveaway without a like in the stream, having a laugh. Just reading order flow. Yeah. If you can't remember, check.
Ryan trying to win a bet to not take a shot. Yeah, rip, dude. Did I tell you about that day I was trying to catch up to you? Bro, I took a Lucid eval from like basically flat, like zero balance, or maybe, I think I started like 350K up to past, and then got the funded up to like plus 800 and then proceeded to blow it.
Oh, man. To be fair, I have no idea how I pulled mine back. I had $280 left of drawdown in that account. I didn't size down. I was in a mini still. And I just sort of like was base hitting it for a few trades until I saw like a monstrously big one and I took it. And then that was me up like $1,200 on that first day. And then the second day I just did the same thing again with Ryan on stream actually. And I remember thinking after, I was like, blimey, I had nothing in this count 2 days ago. Or technically it was yesterday, you know? At the time.
That's how it be sometimes. Sometimes it happens faster than you think.
Yeah. Absolutely. Right, chat, we need 4 more likes. It's more out of principle at this point. It's not even a number.
It is. You know? It's a matter of pride.
Yeah. It's like 98 is not close enough. I want to see 3 digits on that.
No, that was the deal. 3 digits. Okay, there we go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Good job, chat.
They did it.
Boring market. Welcome to Asia, man. Asia doesn't really have any good proper futures markets, to be honest, like their own ones. Nikkei is probably the most volatile one out of the lot.
All right, chat. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the deal. Let's get after it. If you get to
99 likes, I will like. Edward, you can't enter the giveaway if you haven't.
Let's get after it. Jamie, all caps in the chat to enter the giveaway. 25K Lucid Pro. Let's see it happen, gentlemen. Let's see it happen.
Love you, chat. Lay me.
Let this run for like... Yeah, ban that guy.
It's the ban.
Let this run for like 2 minutes. Let y'all filter in. Anyone that's on like delay. If you're on more than a 2-minute delay, honestly, that's on you.
Don't forget, if you haven't liked the stream, it will remove your name from the entry.
Factual. Yeah, chat's alive now. A lot of people here now.
Now they're keen to get involved.
Interesting.
God, you guys sitting in the back there, just, you know.
Interesting. Funny how that works, huh?
Yeah. Imagine going to a pantomime and the audience doesn't say a single thing when he's behind you. That's what it's like seeing this. Just here for free stuff. Lambra. At least you got the green name now, but still Lambra.
Oh, he does have the mug. Interesting.
Have you entered?
I didn't. I never entered my own.
I don't enter my own when it's just me, but
do that now, I guess. I know Matt enters all of his own.
Yeah. Showed up just in time for free stuff. Yeah, get in JGB. Love that.
All right, chat, as a quick rundown too, this is the, I don't want to say easy one, but it's not the TPT ones. This one, whoever wins, go to the website it links you to in the chat or on the screen. That code that's on there, the first code, okay, I want to be very clear, the first code is the one that you paste into the chat. The bot will then verify you by picking that up, and then you go back to that website. Don't exit out, please. Go back to the website, and then you should see your account code on there. Do not share the account code. If you share it and someone takes it, it is gone. I can't help you. Let's be very careful. All right, 63. I'm going to let this run for like another 10 seconds-ish, whatever. And rip from there.
Multiple types get multiple entries, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, type it 6,000 times. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closed.
Come on, let's see this. Come to Papa. Yeah, go on, Tex. How many people didn't like the stream or didn't
I'm gonna find out.
say a word
Oh,
till
14 of y'all. Goodbye.
That's like 20%.
F. Oh, rip. HCFX.
Texas Ryan, your name was
stopped
removed.
out. Sorry, dude. Stopped out. Let's redraw. All right, what's going on?
HCFX.
Oh,
sorry,
fake
man.
out.
Is it 2 in a row?
Hey,
I can't
it's
see.
Henry. All right, GG's. It's Henry. You got 1 minute 50 seconds to go. Go.
GG's. Henry, hurry up with it.
Oh, I just saw him in the chat. This should be a layup. This should be an absolute breeze.
Come on,
There
lightning.
it is.
Oh, look at that.
Very
That was
nice.
Rapid.
Well done. Good job.
Right.
GG's.
That's me done. I need bed now.
You're just holding out for the giveaway. Sorry it
I
came
was
so
sticking out
late.
for the giveaway.
Yeah, sorry it came so late.
No,
I really wanted
it's
chat
chat's
to
fault.
get it together there.
GG's, Henry. Enjoy your account. Chat, it's
All right,
been a
code
pleasure.
issued. Very good. Stop chat. Very nice. Very nice. All right, sick. Sorry. Yeah, man. Thanks for coming on.
No worries. I hope
I
you
know
all
it's-
enjoyed.
I
It's
know
been a
it's
pleasure being here.
unreal late for you. I owe you another one. I will, dude. Our time
Hell yeah.
coordination is so rough because it's either I'm waking up stupid early or you're staying up stupid late.
I know, honestly, yeah. Last time you must have been so shattered last time because you finished your stream the night before and then you joined mine. Like,
Yeah,
whew.
I was tired, dude. I was feeling it.
Oh, anyways, thank you very much, chat. It's been a pleasure. I will see you all tomorrow. You better be up for London, 5 a.m. for all of you Texas lot. I'll see you there.
GG's, everyone. Thanks for coming on. Jamie,
GG's.
again. I'm beyond for
Absolute pleasure.
another couple minutes and then head out as well. But fun stream. I'm excited for my shot. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I can't wait for my shot.
You haven't tried it yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna feel real different when I take it, but
When
up
you
until
smell it.
then, I can dream.
Absolutely. Oh god, GG's guys, pleasure. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.
Yep, have a good night, dude. Peace.
Bye.
All right, chat. And here we are. I think everything should be fine. Let me get rid of these. Talk again? Okay. Nope, you're good. I was gonna say. Peace, dude. Have a good night. Sorry, chat. I'm just making sure everything's working now. I've got a few different things going on here. Yep, that still works. Very nice. P&L still works. Chat, how do we feel about P&L being where it is versus its normal spot right? But I kind of don't like how it like cuts my camera there. I only did that for the stream. I think that's probably better actually. Never mind. Don't answer that question. Redundant. Redundant question. All right, let me get the stream back up because I just X'd out like literally everything. Yeah, Jamie's gonna be tired, man. That was very late for him. I'm very appreciative of him hanging out so late because that was potato, potato. Yes, exactly. Potato, potato. Potato, tomato. Potato, brotato. Chat, how are y'all doing? I'll be honest, it's been really hard for me to pay attention to conversation, charts, running everything, and chat. I was doing a lot the whole time. How are y'all doing? I'm sorry I haven't been like as responsive. Y'all do so I know our boy in Discord caught the long from like the very low, which is sick. That's where I wanted it as well. I was just busy looking at everything else, so I didn't take it. It stopped out on this short up here. As of right now, it still technically would be in profit, so that's exciting. Wouldn't be surprised if this goes and hits target, but that's fine. It is what it is. And otherwise, pretty chilling. Hard for me to participate in any of this other than the long or the short that I called out. So happy with myself for at least kind of like sitting on the hands and not getting super involved. I think that's definitely been good. Would have been nice to have like a cleaner rotation back into prior day's low. If anyone's been hanging around since then, I was talking about like if we wick and reclaim, like if we can break back up and then actually trade prior day's low and get a nice looking hold there, I wouldn't be opposed to taking that. But never really got that. This is what we got above it when we broke up and then had some aggressive attempts to sell into it. Technically could have taken this long if I was looking at the 15-second, but I wasn't, so whatever. But yeah, otherwise, fairly happy with the trades. Down a little bit, nothing crazy, very manageable. Like I said, I've been trading some RTH as well. I have been trading the Apex eval in RTH, which I can pull up for y'all real quick, maybe. Give me 1 second. Scraping by tonight. Holding on to the short overnight. Okay, interesting. Tilted since FOMC, so burnt 2 funded 50Ks. Sorry to hear that, man. Yeah, man, it's the patience is a learned skill. It does not just come out of nowhere. It's definitely something you have to practice. What's it called? A practicing virtue. One small trade for profit this evening. GG's, sir. GG's. Very nice. Green is green, no matter if it's small or large. Let's look at the real-time data might be temporarily unavailable. Why? Dude. The whole reason I trade on what? The whole reason I have this on my live data is so that this doesn't happen. What do you mean temporarily unavailable? Excuse me? Oh, what are we doing? Okay, I'm gonna go big face for a second and just X out of motive wave entirely and then restart it. Maybe that'll solve it. Talking about real-time data might not be available. What do I pay for then? Okay, it's loading. All right, we're back. Very nice. I don't know, maybe it was like a timeout issue. I just hadn't touched it in so long. It's possible. Very nice, very nice. We are back. So as of right now, in this consolidation area at the highs, we had these big sellers step in. That's what I was leaning short against. Ran that out. Had a big seller at the lows here as well. Interesting. Outside of the Celts. If this snaps, then I would expect it to move pretty quickly down to, what is this? Like 780-ish. I would expect it to hit 780 pretty quickly. That would make sense. 820s to or 20s to 80s. That trade definitely tracks. And yeah, that's kind of all I see. Otherwise, just trading back up. I touched over it quickly earlier. We have seen another, I don't know what to call this, another thesis confirmation of the whole like big psych number playing out thing, where like the 50 point each way box gets a reaction. Pretty banging reaction, gotta say. Big tests into it, 29 980s ish, then sold for like 250 points. Kind of a heater. Interesting profile. This is super trendy. Super, super trendy. Depends on how high up we go, though, because we did reject kind of nicely yesterday. Like, rejected overnight and then held lower for most of the day. We do have this LVN up here at 900 to go test. Not surprised. That was where that large seller, that large passive seller was from yesterday. So, would make sense to go retest that eventually. Hey, what up, Bella? How's it going? Bella, did you just get here? You missed Jamie. I had Jamie on for the last 2 hours. It's a good stream, though. It's a good stream. Very much enjoyed. Jamie's always a good guest. I mean, my first time hosting him, I was on his stream, obviously, as well, but he's a great person to have on stream. I am going to finish the rest of my fish and chips after the stream, though. I'm not going to subject y'all to that. Great dude, all-time dude. Stellar dude, one might say. Absolutely brilliant dude. Gonna just have to kind of be patient. Of course, I watched Jamie. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, it's actively just like, it's past soggy. It's just like soft now. Like overall, it's just one cohesive soft mass. I know that doesn't sound very appealing at all, but I am going to eat it. Chat, can we talk about God-given gain, by the way? That was kind of a banger. Like, saying someone whispers by saying that their God-given gain is low is... It's a new one. Haven't heard that before. So props to Matt for that. That was a first. God-given gain. Rip. Flash fight and really hot oil? Dude, it's... By the time I get off stream, it's going to be 11 p.m. I'm not doing that. It's a lot of work for 11 p.m. I gotta clean up. Nah. That being said, my whole space right now does just smell like straight fish and chips. Air fryer, yeah, I guess. Just depends on how much I care that it's like actually crispy. I might just suck it up. Like, I might just suck it up, eat it, and go to bed. That might be the move. as of right now, two relatively aggressive attempts to trade higher. And both have failed outside of the Celts, and we're still sitting in the same exact spot. This is just pure balance. There's been attempts to trade. I should be able to see that. Trade higher here, sold down, rolled over really nicely. Trade higher, sold. Attempt to trade higher, attempt to trade higher. At what point does it just snap, man? What point do we just roll over, finally do it? I'd pick sleep too. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to need it. Dude, I got a whole 4 hours of sleep. I know I said this earlier. A whole 4 hours of sleep last night. So I took a nap right after work before the stream tonight. Definitely helped. I would have been a legit zombie otherwise, like full-blown zombie. I can't do that. Got to keep the energy up. That's right, chat. Keep the energy up. Urgh. Sorry. We're really just going to sit in this range for like an hour, huh? I was half joking when I called this. When I said back here somewhere, I was like, oh, we're just going to range for literally an hour. Here we are an hour later, still ranging. Ridiculous. Not what we needed. Not what we needed. Y'all know I'm bad at passwords. Can't remember my password to anything. If I didn't have a good habit of writing stuff down, I would be cooked. All right, chat. I was talking about this earlier. I said I've been trading the Apex eval during RTH. This is... Will my trades from yesterday's show? No, right? Yeah, they don't. RIP. This is where it's sitting right now at 5891 after coming back from a pretty egregious move down on the account equity, roughly 1,000 on the first day of trading it. So 3 micros during RTH, treating me pretty well. I'm just going to keep ripping that and go from there. But I'm trying to kind of isolate that to be like my RTH account and not mix them between like Asia and RTH just to see how it performs one or the other. Yeah, GG's Root, GG's. What up, Joel? What's going on, big dog? I don't know, perspective, I guess, Ryan. I don't think this Globex was bad necessarily. I think I didn't execute maybe the way I should have. Um, this long was screaming at me. This long down here, when we started, I can pull up the order flow real quick. When we started soaking all of these large cells like this was screaming at me to get long. I was just like trying to make sure that y'all could hear me and Jamie and it all sounded clean and all that. Preoccupied, but I definitely like that long down there. Makes a lot of sense. Good night, good night. Good night, chart. Enjoy your beauty sleep. Enjoy sleeping for 20 hours. Gonna catch up on that. Sorry, I'm back. To check something real quick. All right, I'm almost out of this honey green tea. I do have some water left, so that'll be next. Give me 1 second. I was distracted, called that was at prior resistance, suddenly became support. Yeah, I know. I know, trust me, I would have taken it. I would have absolutely have loved to take that if I wasn't fiddling around with other things. Alas. Alas. All right, chat. It is that time. I know it's late tonight because we had a guest on, but it is that time to do the thing to show y'all why I am truly the GOAT at this game. How I just managed to show up day in, day out and set records never before seen. Perfect shot, as usual, as expected. What else would you expect? What a shot. Quick look. Oh, what a flop. What a flop shot. Incredible stuff. This one we're actually going to tactically reset right here. Look at that. Perfect flop. Perfect flop. This one you technically can skip over a little bit, but I'm going to take the safe play here, the base hit play, so to speak. Oh, market pumping a little bit too. And here we go for the little extra reach and we completely fail. Y'all didn't see that? This is not how I drew it up. What a flop. No. So close. Chill. Oh my God. All that just to fumble. All that work just to fumble. Okay, it's still top 14%. Could have been like top 10% easily. If I didn't just 4-putt. Whatever. Not a bad round. Not a bad round. Could be worse. Just casual 4-putt on the green to close it out. It's all good. The throw, yeah, absolute sell. What a sell at the end. It'd be like that sometimes, though. It's all right. All right, does this finally pump? Like, we've been sideways for so long. We have gone legitimately nowhere for so long. This looks pumpy. This big seller at the lows here of this range, trying to get through, got absorbed, means there's a passive buyer supporting all of this. All of that reads up to me. Not that I'm trying to influence anyone's trading, I'm not, but just my analysis of it looks relatively okay for longs is all I will say. Yeah, maybe hella fun, maybe. 30K definitely seems to be a pretty reactive area. I was about to pull it up on this chart, but I don't have it marked on this chart. Definitely a pretty reactive area. I mean, the first attempt we had when we were trying to sell or trying to buy through it here, this was an aggressive sell. This was off open, just dumped. So, pretty interesting spot. I definitely think we go retest it at some point. That would make a lot of sense. Do I think it's tonight? I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. Yeah, no big earnings. We do have a pretty news heavy week though. I didn't pull up financial juice earlier, but I did last night. Kind of went over the whole week quickly. We've got tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow the 11th. Some overnight stuff. Existing home sales shouldn't be that big of a mover tomorrow. So tomorrow's actually pretty light. But then following that, so Wednesday, we've got core CPIs, US CPI, all that. Japanese PPI as well that night. So that'll be interesting for our stream to know. UK numbers coming out overnight as well. So that'll be Wednesday night. Wednesday night going into Thursday will be a pretty big movement kind of night, I think, after the news hits, probably not before. And then PPI that morning for US as well. So interesting. And then there was what? Jolts? No, sorry, Michigan Sentiment on Friday at 10. So there is definitely some stuff popping off this week. Chat, do y'all have a favorite trading hoodie? I know y'all, I haven't seen anyone mention it yet, which I'm kind of surprised by, but I have like 3 hoodies, at least as of right now, that like I rotate between for trading. Cause like, especially if you're like in AC, trading in a hoodie is just so like fitting. It's so comforting. I don't know how else to explain it. It's just like, it fits like a glove. But I have like 3 that I rotate between right now. And then as it gets colder throughout the year, I do have some fleece hoodies that I break out. I just can't wear them right now. Otherwise, I'd be like straight sweating. But the fleece hoodies go crazy. Those are awesome. I'm not like a huge fan of cold weather, but I do like me a fleece hoodie. No hoodies in Dallas? Yeah, that's fair. It's very fair. No hoodies when it's like averaging 100 a day. Sean, if you're talking about the lines, these are counter channels. And there are your settings. Go ahead and screenshot it, I guess. Pause the stream. I don't know, whatever you want to do. Henry, if you're asking me, I'm not from Australia. I'm from Connecticut, from the States. Being from Australia would be cool. I think Australians are pretty dope. Pretty lit people. Yeah, how'd you get Australia? I definitely don't have an Australian accent either. I'm not even gonna try to do it because I'll just butcher it. Oh, you're from Australia. Usually and Jamie's have the day off. Welcome. What's going on, dude? Thanks for joining. I said something about Australia earlier. What did I say? News? Maybe? I don't know. Oh, no AC? What did I say? Can't believe he doesn't have AC. That's crazy. What's the temperature there? I don't know where Jamie's from in England, but I'm just gonna. This is a total guess. I really have no clue. I'm just gonna look up Birmingham's weather because that is an English place that just jumps out to me real quick. Birmingham, England weather. 10-day forecast. What they got? Yeah, man, like it gets warm there too. Although their weather fluctuates a ton. But like the next 3 days are like 85, 93, 97, 80, and then it cools back down to like mid 70s, like 74, 71, 72. But they do have like pretty hot days. Although this is kind of nice. Like their summer, August, it looks like their average temperature is like low to mid 70s. Chat, is England the new California? Low to mid 70s all year round or what? Chat, you heard it here first. England is the new California. The surfing boom is going to hit, I can tell. And then the overpriced matcha latte coffees are going to hit as well, and all will be well in the world. I can't. Well, no, I actually can believe it. I can very much believe it. We're still in the same 30-point range from the last hour and a half. I can very much believe it, actually. Makes a lot of sense, honestly. What a banger off Tokyo Open, though. Initial drive, try to trade lower, fail, rip. Asia sessions is on. Yeah, I wouldn't expect much more until like London opens in like 4 hours, 4.5 hours. It's probably gonna be pretty slow till then. Oh, I stay up all night? Absolutely not, bro. I have to go to sleep. I'm going to sleep like right after this stream's over. Are you kidding me? To wake up in the morning for the job. The old JOB. August 28th, big dog. August 28th. I'm on MNQ trade flow. This is not a Forex stream. I don't touch Forex. Absolutely do not touch it. The only time I touch Forex is when I'm in a foreign country and I need foreign money. And even then, I'm not opening MetaTrader. Okay, trying to push back into the highs of the range. Not bad. Still quiet on the order flow since that large order at the lows at 816. Dude, look at this ledge. Aggressive move up, no volume left behind. You know, honestly, I think it might be time, chat. I'm going to keep an eye on this. I mean, assuming we break this range, then maybe something happens. But in the case that we don't, what about a quick little... I was going to do Wordle, but actually, what about a quick little Enqueudle? Because Zachary said that the new one should be out, right? I don't know if he did update the time a little bit. Okay, so it's now 20 seconds a puzzle. That's fine. That makes sense. And I think everything else is the same. So if y'all haven't seen this, someone in the community, it says down here, made for fun by McZachary for the TBM GG community. He just made this, like straight just vibe coded it. He's a CS major as well, so I assume he knows what he's doing more than most of us. But yeah, they just straight up made this for the community. It's basically like Wordle, but with like a trading take on it. So these are all the instructions. Basically, you're just looking to get a green trade is like the long and short. So it plays back some price action for you. Move this up a little bit just so it's not as like, there we go. Perfect. Nice and square. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and lined up. It plays out a little, oh wait, hold on. There we go. Plays out a little box for you, and then you choose whether you're going to go long, short, what entry, what price, blah, 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 stop loss. So I always just rock the 2M&Q base size. Price is going up, so why bother fading it? So I'm just going to rip open a little $500 stop. Maximum stop. Take profit is $80. I'm going to pump that up a little bit because it does judge you based on your risk to reward as well. You have to keep that in mind. But we're opening, looks like 870s if I had to call that, 880s. So I think a 50-point trade out of that to 36s makes total sense. Long and submit the trade. So I'm long from wherever that is. And let's see, does it go up? The trend was up. Go up. Why is it lying? The trend is up. It must go up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's over. It's Jover chat. This is an L. Okay. First one's an L. Oh well. Score minus 14 rip. So I usually just go 2M&Q. Should I just YOLO into like an 8M&Q position and hope it hits? It is an option. It's could do it. Technically could just like skip some of the other, like if I don't like this setup, for example, I could skip this and just go on to the next day. That being said, I kind of like this. So I'm going to pump this bad boy up to 8. I'm going to go long from here. I'm going to give this as much risk as I can. Zach, if you're watching this, I don't know, actually, I don't think he is because I think he's from England. He's definitely asleep. It would be nice if you could like input or just have an easier way to set the stops and all that, because that one is a little finicky. But does that like, I mean, why not? Let's go run this high, right? You know, let's go hit 8,340. Why not? Long, submit trade. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Do it. Do it. Keep going. Keep going. Put me on top of the leaderboard. Come on. Keep going. No, no, wrong way, wrong way. Okay, 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 okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Bang. Bang. I have no contracts left on the day, but that's fine. Calm little 2K. Calm little 2K hit. And then now the rest of them I have to skip though, because I basically just put everything into one trade. So I don't know if that affects my score or not, but we're going to find out. But I usually just do like 2 at a time. I usually don't just rip all of them at once. But yeah, so just out of contracts. Maybe it doesn't affect the score. That's cool. That'd be nice if it didn't. 2K on the day, I might be, or roughly 2K, just under. I might be on top of the leaderboard with that one, not gonna lie. I should be close. I should be very close, I think. Calm low heater. All right. And one more. What API does it use to get open, high, low, close? I have no idea. You'd have to ask Zach in Discord. He's not in the chat right now, I don't think. But if you go to the bottom right, or I can even type it out here, but bottom right of the screen, tbm.gg/discord. If you go to that link, join the Discord, and then he is in the Discord, and you can ask him directly, because I have no idea. He just made this for the use of us. Oh, there's only been one person so far that submitted. Guys, if you're watching this, go play Uncutal. This is tonight's one that just dropped. Your boy coming in hot with a 1943 to start off. I don't know if anyone's going to beat that. Last time, I think yesterday's. Is this track all time? Oh, wait, never mind. Never mind. These boys are putting up numbers. 3,700. Never mind. Hero was talking about, oh, 2K is so good. Never mind. Rip. And then I remember the streamers were like down here, which is hilarious. Oh well. Submit to leaderboard. So this is today's leaderboard. Y'all should go play this. Just NQDLE into Google and it should come up. Let me flex this on the Discord real quick. Throw this in Gen Chat. Not bad, not bad. GG Easy, thanks for playing. Where's the GG Easy go? Not bad. Okay, price managed to just barely sweep out this high at 843 and has since decided we're still going to sit in the range. That's a tough look. I'll be honest, that's a tough look. There's really not much else to do, period, when this happens, other than just like sit on the hands. Or in my case, stand on the hands. That being said, shortly, I am going to go enjoy the rest of my fish and chips from the local chippy, bruv. All jokes aside, I know I'm like ragging on the accent and all that. I'm just joking, bro. I'm fully just joking. Jamie's an awesome dude. Very appreciative of him hopping on the stream for 2 hours when he started. Y'all need to realize when he started the stream tonight, it was 1 a.m. for him. Like, that's crazy. What an animal for that. That's awesome. I can't believe we never even got the sell lower either. Unreal. Unreal. Maybe after sweeping these highs, we get it. Like maybe after sweeping out whatever this is, 830, 840, we get the sell. But like my short would not have played out, period. So there's that. Like tried it, gave it the stop that made sense, and still have not seen anything. Like it's just done nothing. So not terrible. Yeah, I'm trading MNQ. MNQ goated, if y'all didn't know. Absolutely goated. Chat, we might never see Kelt mid again. Just been walking the upper Kelt. Kelt mid back at 800 roughly now. We might never see Kelt mid again. Unbelievable. In before 40-point slap. Just call it. Just give in. Give in to what? Just FOMO long at the highs. Target 30K. Why not? 30K, no stop. Just come back tomorrow hoping it's up. That'd be wild. Thunder, if that's what you want to do, go for it. I'm sus about those, like those kind of trades, just because I feel like whenever I try to participate in that kind of trade, where it's like, oh, obvious range, you know, just short the highs, buy the lows. It's just immediately stopped out. Rips for like 50 points against me. The link isn't letting me join the Discord. It keeps asking me to change my Discord. I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know. Let me see. Is there another way to... DJ, can I ask you to try, instead of that link that was in the, like that I sent, can you go to the description of the video and like the third thing down in the description says free trading chat? Try clicking that link and see if that works. If that doesn't work, honestly, I have no idea because it's always let me join no problems. So I don't know. But try that and see if that helps. Seller actually alive right now, so probably chop. Yeah. I mean, combining the fact that sellers suck, yes, chop. That's fine. I thought I saw some like blur there for a second, some lag. That's what I say. No, no, no. None of that. Caught a short, nice. You like to see it. GG's. Chat, what if they do it right here? That'd be incredible. Oh, they might be trying. What does the order flow look like? I think trading back into, at the very least, this like low volume area here would make so much sense. Like 810 to 800. just to backfill some of this, and then if, if anything, continue higher, but like at the very least backfill some of this, right? This is interesting. There was a large buyer that stepped in at the highs, filled a large passive sell, and then is now selling off of it. This might be the move. I don't want to jinx it, but this might be the move. What up, Nicholas? Slavic brother. What's up, dude? I study with no. I definitely learned a lot of trading concepts from Matt, but I also learned from a lot of other people as well, not just Matt. Like unfortunately, there's a ton of like not great content out there about trading on YouTube, especially, unfortunately, but there's also a lot of great traders out there on YouTube, fortunately. So you just have to learn to be able to kind of like separate what you actually find helpful versus what is just going to misguide you. And then from there, it's just a ton of trial and error, man. Like just a ton of trial and error. So, but no, I just been around the community. Don't know what to tell you. You clicked on the link one? Yeah, dude, I don't know then. Sorry. I have never had that issue. Try like inputting, I don't know, ask like ChatGPT or like Google. I mean, Copilot kind of sucks, but like ask ChatGPT or Claude, like, hey, I'm trying to join this Discord and I'm getting this error message or whatever. How do I fix this? And see if the almighty AI overlords have an answer for that. All right, this might go do it. I'll be honest, chat, I don't really care to hang around to see it go do it because I am not going to take a trade off of this. So thank y'all for hanging. Appreciate it. Great stream, I think. Great stream. Loved having Jamie on. Definitely want to have more guests on as well going forward. Try to make it a more regular thing. Not going to spoil anything, but just, keep your eyes peeled. That's all. And otherwise, I will see y'all tomorrow night. Same time, same place, same market. Hopefully catch a better trade than what I unfortunately fumbled this night or fumbled earlier tonight and then took a stop on here as well. And they're pumping it again. Lovely. But other than that, I'm out. Have a good night. I'm going to go eat this fish and chips and then go to bed. But if you're still trading, make sure you stay smart, stay patient. Don't get chopped up. We are omega chopping this range. Just be smart. That's all. And I will see y'all tomorrow night. GG's. Make sure to hit the like button on the way out and have a good night.